Hey, good evening, everyone. So generally, right in the evening time, it's always better to use a lower time frame, like 1 minute or 2 minutes, rather than 5 minutes, because generally volume will be less. It will be choppy. Sometimes what happens is by the time you get a 5 minute buy signal, 5 minute sell signal, suddenly the trend will again get opposite. So whenever, especially during evening times, you better use 2 minutes or 1 minute. In the morning time and US time, 1 minute, 2 minute will be too much choppy or too much noise. There'll be a lot of up and downs. At that point of time, using 5 minutes is a good one, good strategy. But during non-US time, use either 1 minute or 2 minutes. So also, right, as you know, one is beta, price pulse, T55, T5. So we can we can use any combination. Every indicator will work good. All you need to do is put some practice, then you will understand how to use that indicator. So because some users got beta, some users got price pulse, some users got top trend. So I try to use different ones, so you will understand which one to use. So now, if you see ES, it is in a consolidation, right? It is in a choppy window, in a blue window. You can see a discount here. You can see resistance here. That means if it breaks, if it starts going up, we can again go long. Here we can see it came all the way, right? This is our magic pattern. If we would have, right, I know you were busy with setup session, otherwise we would have made $300-400 with this. But if it starts moving up, we can make $200-300 easily with a long position, right? All we need is wait for this setup or wait for this price to start going up. So all you need is just to go to each symbol and see if you have any setup like that, right? Anything either dropping or going up. So you can always sort by change percentage, natural gas. It is looking like it is bearish. It is dropping. Then let's go to NKD. NKD is like consolidating at the bottom. That means in few minutes it may start going up all the way. Then silver. Silver is bouncing up. Overall it is bearish, but it is started bouncing up. Again, it may go to the top and start dropping. NQ. NQ came all the way to the bottom. But still, right, your curve should be pointing towards the upside. As of now, still the curve is pointing towards the downside. That means sellers may take the control one more time. If you see here, right, buyers try to go up, but there are sellers here. You can see the red box. They are again bringing it down. But because we are close to the bottom, right, range bottom, which acts as a support, and also we have support here, it is better we wait instead of taking a shot. If it comes here and starts, once we see the magic pattern, we can enter a long position. As of now, let us wait for some more time. So like this, when you just to watch this one, then you can understand, okay, which one is looking good. We can take trades on that. Crude oil came nearly close to the bottom. In a few minutes, it will start moving up. Generally, we'll focus mainly on metals. Okay, silver is looking good. So if you see silver, this is looking good. This trend is good. Momentum is good. This is good. Mm, Let's wait for the drop now because we already missed. We got a strong buy here. It went all the way up. If we get a sell here, then we can take a shot. Already it moved so much, right? In the morning time, it will go all the way to the top. But in the evening time, it may not directly go all the way to the top. It will go up, come down. Again, it will go up like that. So because in the morning volume will be there, it will directly go and hit the resistance and then drop. Let's also look at gold. Silver is going up. Gold also will be. Gold is also very bullish. Yes, is starting to go up. This one is starting, so it is. I'm taking a long on ES. I took a long on ES because we can see that magic pattern forming. Sellers came all the way to the bottom. Buyers are trying to go up again. So there is a high chance minimum it may go till 60, 45 or something, but I'm keeping my targets small. So because even if you make 50, $75 with 10 accounts, that is a $750. One hour actually it is bearish, but yeah, maybe because AMD reported bad earnings, Google reported bad earnings. So, but for now we can hold it for the quick scalping. We can hold the long position. But overall, tonight and tomorrow we may see much bigger drop with ES and NQ because of the negative earnings. Because it is already at the bottom, even if it goes little bit down, again it will start going up. So when you want to take the trade, take when your buyers are somewhere. When you get a buy signal here, your risk is very, very minimal. And Q also can go all the way here, 10 points up, but yeah, let's wait 1 more minute. NQ and ES move in the same direction. NQ also came all the way to the bottom, trying to bounce up. I'm taking a shot on NQ. We can still hold our ES. It will come down, touch this, and then again bounce back. So I took the profits on NQ. I'm expecting again it to bounce back. There is a strong support here. It may touch this and then so when it starts moving up, again if we see a green button here, we can go long on NQ. At the same time, ES also will move into profits. We can make profits with this and also profits with ES. So because it was somewhere at the middle, tried to go up, but sellers trying to bring it down. So we, in meantime, we took profits with the short. But as I said, because it is a consolidation window. So generally price moves within this window. It may go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. So there's a possibility for it to again go up. So we are holding our ES long, NQ long, we took NQ short, we took the profits. ES should move into profits, NQ also I'm watching for a long position. If it breaks this, then it will go minimum till this point. If it breaks this 570, 570 to 580 is minimum. This is our discount zone. We touch the discount zone, touch the support, started bouncing up again. Now you can see more and more buyers. That made another $70. Yes, we still have yes. This also should move into profits. Right, it came to the bottom of the right. Just think like there is a box, right? You want to buy at the bottom of the box. You want to sell close to the top of the box. So it came right when it when it was dropping. We took a short. We took profits at the bottom, and when it is going up again, we took profits on the long side. Right again, as I told you many times, this prop firm trading is more like playing a test match. Right, you won't look for sixers or fours. All we look is singles, make $40, $50 multiple times. So if you see here, buyers are in control. So again, I can go long one more time. During this time, right, in the morning time, don't put four or five. Suddenly, it may fill all those. That will become a risk. But during this time, the sudden moves are generally they don't happen. Volume will be relatively less. It is easy to make profits in this time with ES and Q. So your price pulse blue, your T5 is green. You see a nice gap here. right? There is a lot of gap between these two lines. That means buyers took the full control. There are some sell orders here. If it breaks it, then it will go all the way to 587. Or if it comes back one more time, touch the green line, then again it will go up. So your T5 is green, your T5 is green. There is a lot of gap. Whenever price you see a red candle, that's a good opportunity to go long again. So again it will go up. Again if it drops, we can enter long one more time. So if it breaks this, then it will go all the way till this point. Right? Your price pulse is turning blue. That means it is telling that it can go up. Your T5 is becoming green. And this one came all the way to the bottom. And then you can see nice gap. So there is a high possibility for price to go all the way where there is liquidity. It can go all the way to this 6045 or 46 and then drop. So both ES and Q both made nice profits. Mhm. So again, in the evening time, it takes a lot more time because volume will be less. It will be right for new traders for practicing. You use 1 minute or 2 minute and wait for this pattern or magic pattern. Right? You saw that came down. Right? Even though initially it came down, did one more double bottom and then finally went up. So when you enter long here, generally your risk is minimal. Right? Even though it went down, we held the ES without panicking because we know it is already it came all the way down. So even it may do little bit double the bottom, it will go up. So we wait for this pattern where you see nice gap, you take long with one or two contracts. Easily you will make $100, $150. So now with NQ we made nearly $200. With ES we made some $100, $250. If you repeat it every day evening, right? All you need is 1 hour. During that time, because of AMD, Google earnings, and Q&ES also got good volume today. Right? Otherwise, we generally focus on metals. We only focus on silver or gold, platinum, those metals, or we can also look at crude oil and natural gas during this time. Right? All you need is 7:30 to 9, 7:30 to or 7 to 9 p.m. Central. If you spend this time and wait for that pattern every day, minimum 200 to 250 in each prop account. If you have 10 accounts, 2,500. If you have 20 prop accounts, 5,000. So that is the advantage. And then once you gain more and more experience, then you can also trade in the US market hours. The US market hours, it will be very fast. If you know your levels, if you know, right, again, you see a magic pattern, you see a big seller, it is at a premium big sell order block, it will drop big. Or you are at a discount zone, you have a nice buy order block, it will go up. So if you wait for those levels and take the trade, US within 10, 15 minutes, you will make 500, $600 with one contract, with one account. But when you're a beginner, right, if you want to take low risk, use this time, 7 to 9 p.m. every day, or morning 6 to 7:30 a.m. That is also very low risk. Generally, it will just move in one direction. You won't have sudden, very big drops or big bounces suddenly. So, right, you will see this type of thing. You will see a nice range. When it comes to the bottom, you go long, or it goes to the top, you go short. Most of the time, at this time, right, this Asian market is generally accumulation phase, right? That means where it will be very choppy. It goes up, comes down, goes up, comes down. So if you get a opportunity at the bottom, that's a good opportunity. Or if you get an opportunity at the top of the box, that's a good opportunity to go short. So if you use this time and take the trades, making 200 to 50 is very, very easy. Either focus on ESNQ or focus on metals, crude oil, natural gas. So yeah, if anyone has any questions, let me know. Again, we can make a lot more tomorrow morning. But yeah, for now, if you have any questions, let me know. Yeah, hey Abhinav, do you have any questions?
Hey Kishore, no, earlier yesterday my replicanto was not taking all the trades, but I don't know what happened. But today when I started taking trades, it's all made the nice trades. So,
Yeah, maybe some setting or maybe just sometimes restarting will put all the settings fine. So that might have happened. Yeah. Is it Sudhir? Is Kundlapalli? Sunil, do you have any questions?
Kishore, actually, before I have the replicanto I
Right.
purchased, I just want to use that one now.
Yeah. Can you send the new machine ID again? Because your machine generally because of security patches, sometimes your Ninja machine ID will change.
Okay,
At that time, your copy will not happen. So always go to Ninja Trader, go to help, put that flow bots, and then put your last name, whatever you used earlier, and then yeah, you send that machine ID, and I can yeah, change it in the backend of Replicanto system.
okay. Shall I share my desktop quickly?
Yeah, you can send it later.
Oh, okay.
Hey, Kishore, one more question. So if I have two different machine, if I install Ninja Trader on both of them, would I need two different licenses?
Right, yeah. Every machine will have a different machine ID.
Okay,
Yeah, you need two different replicant licenses.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. Srivani, do you have any question?
Yes, Kishore Garu. So, do you think the T6 and T66 with the combination of T5 is going to be better for the futures? Because before taking the trading, the position for ES and NQ, I took the position for GC, so it almost went up. Uh, yeah, again, it was at the premium zone, went on going up. It kept on going up. Um, and then I had to take a stop loss on the GC. So do you think the combination of T5, T6, and T66 is better for futures?
Uh, Again, right, generally all the indicators, they work perfectly when the volume is good, right? When the volume is very low, either use 1 minute, 2 minutes, then your indicators will work good. But yeah, generally if you use T5, T55 price pulse, that is our first, right, number one combination.
Okay,
That is our magic pattern. Then you can use top trend along with T5, that is your number two,
okay,
right? Then you can use T6 or T66 along with T5, that is like your number three. Then you can
and
also use reversal indicator along with T5, that is another combination. So uh, yeah, if you use this T5 T55 price pulse, and make sure you are using in a lower time frame, 1 minute or 2 minutes. So in the morning time, it may go all the way to the top of the table. In the evening
mhm,
time, it will go a little bit up, come down, again go a little bit up. So the moves will not be very big. So that's why, for example, if I use 5 minutes,
right,
by the time I get a buy signal, immediately it will start dropping.
right.
Okay? Wait,
So
wait.
can you go to the GC for a second?
So
Yeah,
GC,
onto the left. Can you scroll to the left? Little bit left. Uh, yeah, right there. I got the red signal, like the sell signal, and then immediately it started going up within no time.
right, because there are a lot of buyers here, right? It is overall very bullish.
Right,
GC is very bullish overall, right? If you all that's why if you always go to 1 hour, so what do you see in 1 hour?
we don't even have those sell orders on the top. It was almost
Right,
a premium.
right. We don't have sell orders, and also you see that it is completely bullish in a higher time frame.
Okay.
If you go to 1 hour or 4 hours or daily, it is completely bullish. In 4 hours, it is bullish. Daily also, it is very bullish. So
Yeah, but then the table showed little bit red for a moment, and then it started going up again, and everything
right,
turned.
that was a small pullback, right?
Mm-hmm.
That was not a reversal. So if you even see the candles, right? If you
Right.
see a nice engulfing candle, right, without a wick, that means sellers are in control. But if you see these small candles, generally the sellers are not in full control.
Okay.
So when it goes here, you get something and you see a big, right? For example, today morning with ES and Q. Suddenly, if you have huge sellers, right? If you just get a strong sell without a big sell order block, that can be a small pullback.
Okay.
That's why, right, today morning also I told you, if you are at a discount and also you see a big sell order block, that can be a reversal.
Okay.
But if you are at a premium and then it starts, you see a sell, that is very quick scalp, right? It is only a pullback, but
So
not a trend
even when you
reversal.
get the strong cell and then the red on the top, you want us to just ignore.
Right. Again, if you're a scalper, right? For example, if I am in 1 or 2 minutes, or if I am a
Mm.
quick scalper, we can still make $200.
Okay.
But don't expect in this time, especially during the evening times, don't expect that it will go all the way somewhere to the bottom,
Yeah, I
right?
saw
Because what?
there's a little bit of gap between the white and the red, and I thought probably that's going to be some, maybe not a strong sell, but at least some sort of. But
Right.
then immediately it started going up.
But if you see, right, from near 28.74,
Not there. I started taking it at this third candle because that's where I saw the red on the top, the for the T5.
right, right. But yeah, so generally, yeah, if you get a strong sell without a proper strong sell orders, right?
Mm-hmm.
There is no reason to get a strong sell here, right? If you see, for example, if you get a strong buy, you can see there are a lot of buy orders here.
Right, right.
So there should be a justification. Okay, I got a buy, my price pulse is blue, my T5 is green. I see there are a lot of buyers waiting here. I see that it is completely bullish in 5 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours daily. Then, yeah, we'll make huge profits with this trade. So if
Okay.
we go against that trend, generally that is where we'll have losses. So that's why, right, even before we start the day, when the market is closed, whichever are our 4 5 ticker, we don't need to go through the entire list.
Mm.
Even if you just go to ES and see, okay, what is my higher time frame trend, right? If you're a scalper, you can take on the both the sides. If you're
Sure,
not a scalper, mhm,
I think NKD looks bearish. Do you mind looking at it? Yeah,
NKD looks bearish, or
yeah, bearish.
yeah, yeah, right, yeah, because your ES and Q are bearish, right? So yeah,
But
NKD can,
Nikki goes so quickly though. I think close to
yeah.
$25 a point.
Right, right. Yeah, it is very risky. Yeah, if you don't, so for beginners, that's why I don't take it in the sessions, because for beginners it is risky.
Yeah, I just no, I didn't mean to take you. I just meant to like it looks to me very bearish.
Right,
So
right, right. Yeah, yeah. So you can see there is a nice gap here in 1 hour. If you go to 5 minutes, it's just going up. But yeah, overall ES and Q and KD overall they are bearish. Um, but yeah, so before even the session, before even the market opens, or at the
Mhm.
first 5 10 minutes when market opens, if we can go to 1 hour and see, like, okay, is it looking bullish or bearish? If you see that, oh, natural gas is bearish, you just go and put a red mark here.
Okay.
Then you know that your sells is right. When you take in 2 minutes or 5 minutes, you just focus on sell signals, you'll make a lot more money. Like that, whenever you take anything, if you see that, okay, some copper is bullish, then you just mark it as green.
So what if in the 1 hour it was bullish, but when it comes to 5 minutes or 2 minutes, if it is bearish, what should we do?
Then ignore it. Wait only when you get a buy signal.
Okay.
One
Okay.
is, if you are a quick scalper, you can take both the sides. If you are not a scalper, then better you follow the higher time frame trend, because if only we write, for example, gold example,
Mm.
right? Your opposite side, if I go to 5 minutes, whenever you receive a sell signal, you may have only three candles, right? Three or four candles,
Yeah, that's exactly what happened there.
right? But when you got a strong buy, nearly 7 8 candles up, small pullback, again some 7 8 candles up. So easily you can make money. You don't need to be in a hurry. So
Okay.
that's why we always follow the higher time frame trend. And then if you take the same direction in the lower time frame, your chances of success are very, very high.
Okay. Thank you.
Mm, sure. Yes, Kundapalli, are you there?
Yes,
Yeah,
Kishore.
Murli.
Yes, Kishore.
Yeah, yeah, please go
Yeah,
ahead.
quick question. I have three indicators: top trend and T5 and price falls. Can we? Is it okay to exchange a T5 with T55 or T? I don't know what is the difference between those two, but
T55 will basically give you the strong sell, right? It will look at price pulse, it will look at T5 and then give strong buy, strong sell.
oh,
Whereas T5 will tell you whether you are overbought, oversold, whether, right, if the gap is more, that will help us. So your T5, T55 plus price pulse is a good combination.
okay.
So instead of top trend, you can use T5, T55 plus price pulse. If you want to stick with three indicators. If you want to five indicators, then you can have beta or you can have top trend, you can have reversal indicator, you can have T66, those ones as the additional ones.
Okay. Thank you.
Kishore garu.
Yeah.
So one issue that I'm seeing is in my trading view window, I'm not seeing T5, the top version one. That's not showing up for me. Whereas I can see the T55. Because when you add the indicators, there's nothing specific like T5 to search for, right? So
It is,
T50
yeah.
added, but I'm not seeing the T5 showing up. The top portion, yeah, the top one. I'm not seeing that being added to me. And other question was,
Can you share your screen?
are you able to see my screen or
No, we cannot see.
should I share? Is there a share? Okay, yeah, share. Okay. Can you see my?
Go to, yeah, can you go to indicators? Click on
So,
indicators.
yes.
Go to invite only. So the TI2 is nothing but T5.
Oh,
That is, so
sorry, I think.
initially we gave it as TI2, technical indicator 2, because that is one of the top indicators. After
Uh-huh.
price pulse, the TI2 is the second best.
Right,
So
but I added, if you see, I added this T55,
yeah,
but I
you
don't see the T5 in this window, if you see here.
click on the TI2 one more time.
This TI2, huh?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now close this.
Oh, so for T5 to come, you have to use TI2.
Right. Both are same. Yeah. TI2 or T5.
Okay. That's where I got confused. Okay. So the other question previously, which I asked, you said you will discuss in the one of the meeting. Could you help me make me understand this top trend? Because honestly, I'm not able to understand this and use it actually. And I'm just only doing price pulse and the T5. ఇది ఒకసారి టాప్ ట్రెండ్ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారా వాట్ టు డూ అని? Yeah.
Yeah. So just I'm hiding this price pulse. Right. So you can just focus on top trend.
ఇంకా మైన్ మ్యాక్స్ సెట్టింగ్స్ ఏదో ఉన్నట్టుందండి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ అలౌయింగ్ యూ టు కంట్రోల్ ద
Okay.
స్క్రీన్.
Okay. That's fine. So basically, right.
I'll
So
hide
here,
the other ones, Price Pulse and T55. Okay. Yeah.
right. So if you see here, one is you have the strong support, right? Do you see those green lines there? Green at the
Yeah,
bottom,
this
you have green. No, green bars at the bottom where you got the, yeah,
this bar, right? These
right.
bars.
That is like a very strong support area.
Okay.
So if you get a buy signal close to that, that is a very good opportunity.
So this buy and this green rectangle one are a good opportunity, you're saying?
Right. In the same way, you have a red rectangle at the top.
Yes, red
So,
rectangle.
so if
Okay.
you get a sell close to that, that is a very good opportunity.
Okay, I see. And
Right.
then, yeah, okay, go ahead.
And
Sir.
then if your background is green and if you get a buy signal, that is a very good opportunity. So your background turned,
So
that
something
means
like
trend,
this buy,
right? Yeah.
this rectangle and the green one. Okay.
Right. If you see, you got a signal where there is a strong support, that background color is green. Your clouds, your day trading cloud and your scalping cloud, both are green and blue. That means that is a perfect opportunity. You have all the confluence.
Okay, so this buy, this rectangle and the green cloud, everything.
Right.
And a green
You have
background.
green cloud and also scalping cloud, right? You have one is scalping cloud, one is day trading cloud.
Oh, sorry. Which one are those? I'm not aware. Which is scalping
The
and day trading?
the green is the scalping cloud.
Okay.
Then the blue one is at the bottom is the day trading cloud.
This is the day trading.
Right.
Okay.
So
And
your
what's the
day
difference?
scalping means if the first one is green, that means it is good for scalping.
Oh.
That means within 1-2 minutes you can make profits. You have to be very quick. But if the second one is blue, that means you can hold your trade for 10-15 minutes like that, 20 minutes.
Oh.
So it is a much bigger. So if both of them are green and blue, that means it is a very good for long.
Oh, so this day trading cloud also sometimes becomes green, huh?
No, that becomes orange. The day trading becomes orange, then the scalping cloud will become red if it is bearish.
Right. Okay, bearish. Okay. So it will stay like this, green and blue, if it is an uptrend, basically.
If it is in uptrend, yeah, they will stay in the green and blue. So if you get a buy signal when those two are green and blue, your trend is in the green, your background is in the green color, and you got it as support. So that is a perfect opportunity to go long.
Okay.
You
So
can
this whole part
confidently, right, you can confidently take the bull puts here. At the bottom, if you take the bull puts, you'll make huge profits.
Okay, over here. I see. Okay. And
The same way,
this green line is the T5 line, this green line.
right, yeah, that is the T5 line.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
In the same way, if you get a sell signal close to the resistance, and if the background is red,
Somewhere like this
right,
cell and
yeah,
background red.
yeah,
Okay.
background red, and also if your clouds are red, right?
This
For
is
example, if you are, can you scroll a little bit to yesterday's time frame? You will see much better example. Yeah, go to previous day.
yeah, this one, right?
Right. Yeah. For example, there your day trading clouds. Yeah, or go. You can go a little more further. Yeah.
More.
So here, what colors do you see here for the
So
clouds?
yeah, so this is like orange cloud, and where's the other
Right.
cloud?
At the
I don't.
bottom, you have red cloud below the
Oh
orange
yeah,
cloud.
here. Yeah, there's a red cloud here.
So
Okay.
if you now you got a sell signal there, right?
Okay.
So you got a sell there, right?
Yeah, this cell is there, red background.
Yeah,
Only thing is
your
no
clouds.
red. Okay.
Yeah, your cloud is there, right? There is also if you see those red dots, that is like a small, right? Not a strong resistance, but a mini resistance.
This dotted line. Okay.
Right. The dotted line is so it try to go there, touch that resistance. Then your clouds are red, your background is red. Then it dropped nearly 30-40 points.
Okay, from 6005 to probably somewhere to 5988. Okay.
Right. So if you are all right, it is called as RRR strategy, GGG strategy, right? Your cloud is red, your background is red, and you have a nice red candle or red resistance, either red pivot lines or red resistance. So that's why we call this as RRR. GGG means you have green clouds, green background, and you are close to a green support.
Okay. So all
Or
this
that combination. Yeah, if you have all greens, perfect for long. You have all reds, perfect for short.
I see.
If you have a combination, you ignore that signal and go wait for the next one.
Okay. So this also looks good, right? I mean, in a sense.
Yeah, that is one of the one, right. Yeah. Again, price pulse, top trend are our number one. So there are many superstars who just use top trend, making 100K per month now. So it is a perfect yeah, right.
Okay.
Only thing is because some members, right, for them to process all those 2-3 things. So that's where I created the other indicator. Otherwise, just if you learn top trend and price pulse along with T5, that itself is good enough to make huge profits every day.
I see. Oh, okay. That's good. Yeah.
So yeah, all we need is wait for that support or resistance. When it comes to the support level, it will go up. So you have right, you have strong support and also you have the pivot support. Two supports are there at that point.
So what is pivot here? So this is the rectangle, green rectangle.
No, those dots are pivot points.
Oh, these dots are pivot point, the green dots.
Right.
Oh, okay. Similarly, the red dot here. Okay.
Right. Yeah.
So why when there's a pivot red dot here, why there's no rectangle over here? Like in the green, we have a
No,
rectangle, green
as I
rectangle.
said, pivot points are like a mini support. They are not a strong support or strong resistance. That is just a mini resistance. If buyers add
Okay.
more, it can break that and go up.
Mhm. Mm.
So
So
if
when
you
does a rectangle be formed? Like this green rectangle, like what,
whenever
where
there are
my
a lot of
mouse is?
sell order blocks, that rectangle will form.
Oh, so it's like the price pulse order book. Basically, it's
Right,
sort of an
but
order.
yeah, you cannot see the exact how many orders are there. And that is the only problem here. Otherwise, yeah, it is similar to price pulse. Only
Uh-huh.
thing is in price pulse, you can see all the fair value gaps, all the order book, everything. So that will
Uh-huh.
give you more information. So yeah, this if you don't want to know fair value gaps, order book, all those things, then this is best. If you just want to focus on RRR GGG strategy, this is the
Mhm.
best one. Price comes to
Oh,
the support and background turns to green and your T5 turns to green, just go long. Or background turns to red, your cloud turns to red, your T5 turns to red, go short.
right. Okay. Yeah, I mean, post looking, looks very easy, but yeah, definitely. I think at that point of time, these formations will probably start giving an idea. So this yellow, is this
Yellow
an
is like
indication that
yeah, the trend is changing. It is just
trend is
to
changing?
yeah, differentiate.
From
So
red to
immediately,
yellow is a trend change, basically.
right, from bullish to bearish or bearish to bullish. Whenever the trend is changing from one to other, you will get right again.
Oh,
It
here.
came all the way to the bottom of the channel and again started moving up.
Oh,
So
okay. This
again,
yellow is an indication then. Okay.
yellow is like yeah, transformation from one trend to other trend.
Okay. Yeah. That makes sense. Okay.
So
So you
especially
talk
if you see that at the T5 you have a dot, and if you have a sell signal at the same time, that is a
sell.
perfect opportunity.
Okay. So this
If
red
you,
dot and this sell signal. Yeah. Okay.
right, if you put a vertical line, go to your
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah. So this vertical dotted line is showing up.
right,
Yeah.
yeah. In the same way, if you have a buy signal and you have a green dot, that is also a perfect opportunity.
Oh, okay. Okay. So yeah, this green dot came here, but the buy
Yeah,
came here. Okay.
that's fine. Whenever you get the green dot, you see with one candle difference if you have a buy signal.
Mm-hmm.
Right, it also represents channel top, channel bottom, right? Just like discount and premium, you are at a channel bottom.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
it came all the way to the channel bottom, and then you got a buy signal at the bottom.
Bottom. Okay. Here. Uh-huh.
Then
Okay.
that is a perfect opportunity. If you get a sell at the channel top, that is a good opportunity.
I see. Yeah. I think, yeah, this particular one is a good indicator. So sell over here, buy over here, and the cloud is changing green, background changed to green, and this red dot, a green dot came.
Your
So I
T5
think,
is green, your background is green, your clouds are green. That's a perfect confluence.
yeah, right. Okay.
Yeah.
And this triangle, the green triangle or the red triangle, is that an like a indication from a red to green when it's happening, the triangle forms, or when does a triangle form?
Yeah, basically, it is like a buy signal by the T5. T5 is telling it is a buy. Go long.
Okay. So, okay. Triangle. Okay. And you are talking about the fair value one in the price pulse. Could you just probably, I'm not aware of that one. What is that you're referring to? Fair value gap, something you're saying, right?
Does you see the small rectangles, right? You are using normal candles, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
normal.
Can you go to ES or NQ or something?
Oh,
Yeah, or gold. Yeah, ES is fine. Yeah, select.
yeah. This is another thing I'm facing today. Like when I type, it's not loading. I don't know why that's happening like that.
Maybe some internet issue or
No, I mean, so far we've seen it. I don't know. Let me try again. Yeah, see now it came again. I don't know once. Okay, yeah.
Can you go a little before? Today, for example, there you see, right? There is a red rectangle.
You're talking about this one or
No, after that you have a small red rectangle, right?
this one?
Yeah, right. So
Okay.
that will act as a resistance. If price tries to go up again, that will act. There are some sell that is like a small sell order block.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
So if you go to your premium zone, can you see how many sell orders are there? Yeah, that is like a huge sell order block, 13,000 sell order block.
Uh-huh.
But because there are 13,000 sell order blocks, there are more people or more sellers who are trying to sell more. So if price again next time, if some green candle tries to go up, that will act as a resistance. That is a red fair value gap.
You
No,
mean this
that is
particular
a sell
triangle?
order. No, that is a sell order block.
Okay.
But you see the small red box.
Uh-huh. This one.
That is a fair value gap, sell side fair value gap.
Oh, sell side fair value.
That
Okay.
means that will
So
always
that acts as a resistance. Huh? That acts as a resistance.
resistance, right? Again, if you
Okay.
see after that candle, a green candle tried to go up.
Uh-huh.
After that big red
Right.
candle,
Yeah,
immediately a
yeah,
green
this,
candle
yeah.
tried to go up. That sellers are pushing the price down.
Okay. This green candle
Right,
like that.
right. Yeah, there are more sell orders here, right? They are not letting it to go to the top. In the
Uh-huh.
same way, if you see green boxes, they will act as a support.
Okay. I
Instead
see.
of red
Okay.
rectangle, if you see green rectangle,
Uh-huh.
yeah, again, if you go to yesterday's or somewhere, you will see green rectangles. That will, if you see lot of green yeah, here,
This,
for
right?
example, right, yeah.
This.
So
Uh,
you see this green rectangle, another green rectangle, that will give you confidence to hold your trade. That means more and more buyers are buying it.
I see. Okay.
So
Uh-huh.
now your T5 is green, your price pulse is blue, and there are more and more buyers in the market.
Okay, I see. Uh-huh.
Then you can hold your trade, you can hold your positions for longer time, you can make more profits.
Okay. So in this particular scenario, where it may like the T5 and the blue one, I think this
Price
T55,
pulse.
price
That is,
pulsar. So the crossover has any meaning or nothing like that? Just that this green and this blue we need to look, or we need to
that's
wait for a crossover?
no need for any crossover or anything. Just if
Nothing like
yeah,
that. Okay. And
both
then till how long can we hold this trade until, for example, if you see here,
until
it
your
was
T5
all,
until your T5 turns to red, you can hold it.
but if you
Minimum
see
is
here, it turned small red, but again it became green.
no, at
Yes.
the top you have a T5 line, right?
Where?
So in the top chart, in the top chart you have a T5 line.
Yeah. Okay. Right.
So until that turns red, you can hold your long position.
Oh, okay. Right. I see. Okay.
And if that price pulse also turns red, this also turns red, then you can right, you can wait if
Start.
there, yeah, it can be a bearish reversal or something. You will wait and then you can take a reversal.
Okay. And at the same time, this red box is also there, right? So this
Right, yeah.
one,
If your T5 turns
premium.
red, you're right. That
Okay.
will give you confidence that okay, now there can be a big drop or something.
Okay. I see. And this blue color, purple or blue, what is when they're forming like this? Does it have any meaning? This whole blue,
That's what I
blue
was
color.
explaining, right? All this time, when you get that is a consolidation box, a choppy box. That
Okay.
means price is moving in a choppy range.
Oh.
That means price will just go up or come down. There is no trend.
Mm-hmm.
So if you find price at the bottom, it will move up. If you find price at the top, it can go down.
Mm-hmm.
So if you find a sell signal, if you get a sell signal on either top trend or T55 close to the top of the box, then that is a good opportunity to short.
Oh.
If you get a buy signal or strong buy signal from top trend or from T55, that is a good opportunity to go long. That is basically a range. It is in a small range or in a sideways move.
Mm-hmm.
So
Order submitted.
so don't buy somewhere at the top or don't sell somewhere at the bottom when you have this a blue box or a purple or that red box.
Oh, I see. Okay. So
Price
more
is just
consolidation. So, okay.
it is more of a consolidation or a choppy zone.
Yes. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Thank you.
Sure.
Thanks.
Yeah. Mm, anyone else? Right. Again, if you watch all the videos shared, you will have you have everything in the PPT, everything in the videos. Yeah, Suren, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I have one this replicanto connection with IBKR. Can I share screen quickly?
Yeah, generally it's better you join during setup because setup sessions are mainly for that. These sessions are so mainly if you want to know how to use an indicator or
Yeah.
why we are taking trades. But yeah, you can share it.
Quick, it's share screen. Okay. Yeah, I connected IBKR. It shows like good, but then this one I don't know where it is. Like this money and all that. It's like coming from one prop firm. I don't know how to get the correct
No,
IBKR.
what I mean. So go to IBK.
Uh,
Why you don't have configure option?
yeah.
Okay, so
So I
click on
created this. I
Mhm.
gave all username password and through TWS I'm
Okay, is your IBKR open?
yeah, IBKR open and that's like I have some $750 here like cash one. And in IBKR like futures it's all different or one account can be used for all.
You can use all for all in one account.
Okay. So in that case, yeah, then whatever I connected here should show that I think
Right.
$750, right?
Yes. Yeah. Can you go? Okay, this is looking good. Yeah, come down.
Yeah. This is correct, right? Here I have to pick the interactive
Right.
broker, the Ninja
Right.
Trader.
Right. Right. Yeah. All is everything is looking good. Say okay.
This SIM account is from some prop
Yeah,
firm.
basically SIM account is like a paper account. Yeah, just they are showing your paper account value.
Okay. And that also
Yes.
is like incorrect, and it's not 106K, but yeah.
Yeah,
Mm,
just say okay.
yeah. So let's say like disconnect. I like many times logged out, logged in. I did all that. Yeah, it's shows green. And even in the replicant also, I will not see that account for like with prop firm we can do copy trades, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
If you
IBKR also you can do.
yeah.
IBKR again you can do for futures, but not for options or something.
Okay. Yeah, I don't
Uh,
know. This here also it's not showing, and it's also in the accounts it's not showing correctly.
I think it is not connected properly.
Okay.
Can you go and delete it? Delete whatever you configured and try to. So
Yeah, first maybe disconnect.
go to my
Yeah, here. Or maybe I can even delete, for example.
yeah, delete that, remove at the bottom.
Yeah,
Go
then
go
I
to
go
the
here, interactive brokers, right? Or
right, double click.
uh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah, name it as yeah, IBKR personal or something. The
Okay.
connection name.
Yeah.
You can select connect on startup. So are you sure this is the same one you are using to connect to the IBKR?
Yeah, I only have one account I created recently. And yeah, so this is the TWS. Let's say
Okay.
using best practice only work on
Right.
execution.
Say okay.
Uh, okay, now
Now yeah, select that IBKR person.
right. Yes. Where this okay.
So did you pay some money to IBKR?
Yeah, I have some $750 in the
No, no,
account.
no, no. I mean to say, did you pay something to Ninja
Oh,
Trader?
market data and all that? No.
No, not for market data. Generally, if you want to use these third-party brokerages, you have to pay some $99 per month to Ninja Trader.
Ah, okay,
But
okay.
but
Where have to do that? Account management.
their website or you call Ninja Trader customer support tomorrow.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Not in IBKR. You have to because NinjaTrader is giving you an interface to a third-party brokerage.
Oh, okay.
So if you call them and pay that $99 per month, then they will allow you to connect to Thinkorswim, connect to IBKR, connect to all these different brokerages.
Oh, the
So
prop
now
firms, you don't need any.
the prop firms, because it is already TraderWeight, right? TraderWeight is a part of NinjaTrader's company.
Oh,
It is their
okay.
product. NinjaTrader bought TraderWeight.
Okay,
So
got
for
it.
TraderWeight connection, you don't need.
Okay, yeah.
But if you want to use IBKR or Thinkorswim as part of Replicanto, then you need to pay them $99 per month.
Oh, okay, sounds good.
Then yeah, you can see this account and you can copy whenever you are taking trades on prop accounts. At the same time, your trades will go to IBKR account.
Okay, yeah, okay, I'll check them. Yeah, okay, yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Yeah. Hey, Kiran, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of new. Joined 1 week back. Like, yeah, there's a lot of information. So this what's it called?
Order submitted.
The copy trades, right? The replicanto. So is it for the regular markets or only for the futures, or how does it work? A quick, like 30 seconds overview. Once we set up, we kind of copy trades that you are taking, or
No, it is mainly for futures.
it's mainly for futures. Okay.
Yeah, for
Okay.
futures, you can copy at the same time whatever you are doing in TradingView. If you want the trades to go to your other prop firm accounts or you want to go to your personal accounts, you can use Replicanto.
Oh, okay. It's our okay, ours to ours. Okay. I was thinking if we copying your trades, something like that, or someone else trades. No.
It is, yeah,
Oh,
your trades. Right, for example, you have Tradify TradeAway account in TradingView. Right,
okay.
if I am taking one trade here with NQ or ES, the same trades are going into another 10 accounts at the
Okay.
back end. Replicanto
Okay.
is copying them into all those other accounts.
Okay.
So instead of making $200, you can make $2,000 in the same time if you wait for a proper setup.
Yeah. Got it. Yeah, I mean, just this is my first week, so it's a lot of information. So all the information is in the YouTube channel, in your YouTube channel, like how to
Right.
do this,
Yeah.
what are all options available. I don't know about, like, Replicanto or NinjaTrader or any of these.
Right. Everything is, yeah, I shared a video, started from basics, what is futures, what is NinjaTrader, what is TradeAway. Everything I explained and shared the video. Yeah, if you watch it, you will get all the details. And again, it is not rocket science. Right,
Yeah.
day one, day two, sometimes you may feel like overwhelmed with a lot of terminology, but again, it's all about just two, three different softwares we are using, connecting them, taking the trades.
Got it. Okay. And then the indicators, right? Those are your own indicators, right? I think we have to buy. I think you mentioned the other day I was scared. So, okay. So do you update generally those every now and then, or is it like fixed?
Yeah.
Uh,
If we see there is some improvement we can make, right? Sometimes we may add some new alert message or something, but yeah, they are very much
Order failed.
standardized. They are working very good. So
okay.
right, initially when we developed, yeah, we had to make some changes or add some new enhancements, improvements. But now they are like nearly finished products.
Okay. Got it. All right. Do you have any also like bot trading? Do you have anything, or do you generally recommend those, or no?
Bot also we have it, right? We started actually with bots, right? We have Ninja bots where they will automatically take the buy and sell. But the
Okay.
only problem with bots is whenever there is a big uptrend or downtrend, they will make a lot of money. But if market is choppy, right? The just price is just moving up and down, then bots will give losses, right? If it sees that price is going up, they'll take a buy. Suddenly, if price is going down, they'll take a sell.
Okay.
So in that choppy market, suddenly there is a huge candle. So because of some news or something, they can suddenly do a buy at the close of the candle. Again, immediately next candle, again if it drops, again it. So when you are manually watching, then we can use our logical analysis and we can either wait to take the trade or so we have more control when we are taking trades.
Yes.
But-
Yep. Yep.
So yeah, again, bots sometimes they can make huge money, but sometimes again they can also be risky because
Order
whenever
submitted.
bots are there, we feel like okay, let us enable it and let it print the money. We don't
Yeah.
watch them or manage them.
Yeah.
So that's where we introduced, but we saw that everybody is thinking them like ATM machines and thinking that they will keep printing money at the
Yeah.
end of the day, right? If we have something like that, then it will be a 10 million or 20 million or $1 trillion bot if it can print money every day. But yeah,
Yeah.
generally bot means everybody's assumption is that they don't need to do anything, just enable it and it will keep giving them profits. But that's where I started just trading view indicators, which are more effective, where you have more control. You can use for stocks, options, futures, everything.
Okay.
And
Kishore,
we have
I know that there are some bots on like or not even bot like they're like automated bots to just take the trades even when you watch because they are better
Order
at
filled.
executing it,
I
right?
have right within TradingView. I have a lot of bots which I developed. They work well. I
Oh,
have
okay.
Ninja Trader bots. They do buy right Prism, Spectrum, Titanium.
Yeah,
We
because I
have lot.
know we had titanium and everything beforehand, right? Yeah,
Right,
I
right.
remember that.
But as I told you, the problem is suddenly you never know before whether market will be choppy or market can be very
Right, right,
trending.
right.
So if you think like market is trending and suddenly market turns choppy, you will have losses. Or if you don't enable, suddenly if there is a big news up or down, again you may miss a lot of
So,
money.
Kishore, I have one more question. Can we take minis and just like I was thinking about it, if I can take a mini on an hourly, put a limit, stop loss, that should that should be working fine, right? Without a huge losses or because my like mini like 1 year's contracts move so much, but minis will not gonna move
You
that
mean
much, right?
micro, one
Yeah,
micro,
sorry,
yes.
sorry, sorry, Michael.
Again, it depends, right? Because even if you take in 1 hour also with the ES or NQ within
Order
one can
submitted.
even with the micro also sometimes there can be two three
Order
hundred
filled.
dollars sudden moves or
I got you.
but
Okay.
if you are doing in an with when volume is less or when volume is more, if you take one micro that should be good or one or two micros it should not impact much problem. If you use 1 hour or 30 minutes or 15, even if you use 15 minutes buy and sell and you take one or two MES, that should give you profits.
Yeah, nice. Thank you.
Kishore,
Okay, I have one more question. So the spreads I joined this morning call today and yesterday. So generally you don't because you take spreads because of the less risky. So we don't need stop loss for the
Order submitted.
for
Generally,
this
spread
spread.
spread already has the stop loss inbuilt, right? When
Order
you're
Yeah,
filled.
doing the spread,
$5 or $10. Okay, okay,
right, right.
got
So,
it.
and also we are buying at a proper support or proper resistance. So your chance of that breaking is very, very minimal. So that's where our indicators are helping. If your T5 is showing it is a buy, your price pulse or your top trend, if all of them are showing buy, then if you do a bull put, your risk is nearly close to 1%. You
Order
can make
Yeah,
submitted.
99%.
got it, got it.
Now you
Okay,
got a strong resistance, you got a top trend sell signal, you got T55 sell signal. Then you do a bear call, again your risk is very minimal.
got it.
Kishore,
Okay,
in
thank you.
Yeah.
Order filled.
options, right? You are giving the signals for the SPX sell and buy 6015. Uh,
Right.
like how to place orders in the Robinhood. Like,
So if you go to YouTube, search on how to place a vertical spread or trade spread in Robinhood, you will have hundreds of videos.
oh, that is the, I could see the options like here, Robinhood, the long call, long put, and cash secured put.
Order submitted.
Can you share your screen? I cannot see your screen.
Oh, don't have option to share, I think.
But again, yeah, as I said, like there are hundreds of videos because I don't use Robinhood personally. If I use, I would have explained you easily. Because I use only IBKR Thinkorswim. But yeah, if you go and search YouTube, then you will find the hundreds of videos explaining you how to take a spread.
And also your account need to have some more level 2 something like that, right? To see those options. Yes.
Yeah, you need to have level 2 or level 3 permissions because yeah, otherwise generally they allow all the users by default only for naked calls, naked puts. For buying naked calls, naked puts. But when you tell them that you have experience in trading, you have experience in spreads, then they will give you access to do the spreads.
Kishore garu. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So from where do you take the trades? Can you go there?
Here options is there. Normally I used to search for here SPX, right? SPX, I'm not seeing.
Okay. Yeah. Select SPXL.
Except this one. Oh,
So yeah, click on the trade SPXL options. So you have builder there, right? Just click on that builder at the bottom of SPXL buy call.
okay.
So now it is telling you, right, what is vertical spreads, what is called debit spread, what is called credit spread. So if you go down,
Oh,
so
okay.
what we generally do is we always try to collect the money, right? Because as a seller, sellers make more money in the market. Buyers make only
Order
30%,
submitted.
40% of the time. But when you are a seller, theta decay, implied volatility, all will be at your advantage. So we always collect the money. That means you are always doing a credit spread. Either whenever you are bearish, you do a bear call spread, which is call credit spread.
So bear call.
Whenever you are, yeah, that is, yeah, whenever I say bear call, that is the call credit spread.
Okay.
Whenever I say bull put spread, that is the fourth one, the last one.
Bull put. Oh, okay.
So you have to click on that. Whenever I say take this SPX bull put, so yeah, there you have upgrade. Yeah, click on that upgrade to level 3. Yeah, continue, continue, continue. Done. Yeah, if tomorrow if you cannot see, then just call them. They will provide you the access.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But yeah, you have to just click on those and then yeah, select those values. That
Okay. Okay.
Hey Kishore, this is Vinay.
yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, I'm new to the community. Actually, I joined the success story call day before yesterday, and I really would like to start learning things here. I have
Right.
I've been to trading for many years, but I rely on admin calls or value-based trading. So, what is the first step? I joined the Ninja bot too, but it is asking me to subscribe to the bot actually. But before that, I would like to learn this technical analysis and all this. So, do you guys offer any training for that?
Yeah, we offer training, and as part of live sessions, you basically learn. Right, when you get these
Yeah,
three indicators or five indicators, and you join the live sessions, you will understand why we are buying something, why we are selling something, why we are doing bull puts. So already I share all the videos, how to use the strategies or
yeah,
what is.
I got that, but to my question, right? If I join any training, like, do you have any course that covers all these indicators and explain how it works? Any session that I can work with one on one with you or some other trainer?
No, we don't do one-on-one because we have nearly 470, 480 members. So one-on-one is
Yeah.
difficult, but yeah, we do sessions with all the members. We explain them and we answer all the questions if anyone has any questions.
So yeah, even today's call, right? I see like there is a lot of good information there which you share now. But if we can have one video with all that information explanation, it might be helpful for the new signups.
Right, there
So
are already videos. I shared the watch list starting from the basics, right? What are futures or what
once I
is,
subscribe to that bot, you will share those videos.
yes, yeah. And
And
as you know, some success stories, many
Order fell.
homemakers without any trading knowledge, they are able to come up to the speed within 1 week. It's all about we taking some time to watch the videos, understand. If you have any questions, you can ask in one of these sessions like this.
okay, so the first step is to subscribe for this indicators subscription.
Right, yeah. You can get either 3 indicator plan or 5 indicator plan. And then, yeah,
So,
I'll share the videos. You can just watch them whenever you're free tomorrow, sometime in the morning or in the evening. And then join the live sessions. Once you watch 1 or 2 days live
Order
sessions, once you
submitted.
understand why you are taking a trade, why you are buying, why you are selling, then within 1 week you will understand the majority of the concepts. Then
and
afterwards, it is all about controlling your emotions. Without FOMO, wait for the right setup and take the trades. That's it. So the first part is easy.
yeah,
Understanding when to use, what indicators to use. That is maximum 1 week time. The second part is more in your control, where yeah, whether you want to wait for the proper setup and take the trade and become successful, or whether you want to trade with emotions and continue to keep losing money.
okay,
So
so
if,
I
yeah,
have to set up the trading view platform for this, right? Indicator.
yeah. Once you subscribe to the indicators,
Order submitted.
you'll get every information. Will help you to set up your trading view indicators. Will help you to set up your replicant, all those things.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll try to subscribe
Yeah, but
then.
yeah,
I'm
basically, yeah, you can get a free 1 month trial trading view. If you go to
okay.
trading view and try
Order
to
fell.
do a free sign up, generally sometimes they offer 1 month free sign up, free access. So once you get that, then you subscribe to the indicators. We will provide our custom code access to in your trading view. Then you will be able to use the indicators by yourself. But for first 3 4 days, you watch like when we are buying, when we are selling, and within 1 week you will have all the first
Order
part will be done.
submitted.
Then
Okay.
second part is all about, yeah, if you can control that FOMO and take trades only based on entry criteria, then you will be successful.
Okay, sounds good. I'll try it. I'll look into the bot subscription. Thank you.
Sure, yeah.
Sure, the machine ID, how to share? Sure.
Yeah, put the flow bots there, F capital, LOW, B capital, BOTS. Yeah, put your last name or if you remember what you used last time. Yeah, click on submit. And yeah, you can copy that and send it to me in the Telegram. Nagarjuna, do you have a question?
Order submitted.
What is your Telegram
Sure,
handle?
no,
And I
no,
cannot.
no.
Okay.
I
I see.
just
Yeah,
as a
Nagarjuna,
fine
please go
time.
ahead.
Yeah, as a fine time, I'm just watching and listening, and yeah, I
Uh,
think I need to subscribe to these indicators too. I did have like already 2 other subscriptions. Probably I need to subscribe for these two. But before that, I was trying to understand. For some reason,
right.
I'm not able to pay attention like to the whole thing. I'm just paying like 10 minutes and doing my work, and that's how it's going. So yeah,
Right, right. Yeah, allocate some 1 2 hours because this can change the life, right? You
yeah,
can
I know,
see that.
I see it. Yeah, I see it.
Today we
Yeah,
made nearly 150K with one single trade.
right, yeah.
So
Yeah.
we are making on the bottom, we are making on the top. So
Mm.
it's all about, yeah, if we take the time, yeah, there is huge success for all of us.
I actually, I opened those prop firm trading accounts. Like at a time, I opened like 10 of them. And yesterday, not really paying attention to what you guys are doing, I think I lost all of them.
Right, right. Yeah, I
Uh,
think you are trading aggressively. So Yeah, just slow down because
No, I
market
think
every day
probably
will.
when you say like maybe short or long, probably I was not paying attention because I was not completely doing this. Maybe I'm doing it opposite, and I'm not
Mhm.
looking at it again. I'm waiting for you to call. So okay, so yeah,
Mm. Yeah,
so
Uh,
anyway, that's learning. So
right, right.
Sure, Garu, actually, like while using the Prism, right, I was converted 20 EA to PA actually, like some time back.
Right, right.
This was really good actually, but is it this is how we have to use like enable session, right?
You have to disable the time. If you want to use only in that time, you have to put that. Otherwise, you.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, for now, start with right. I told you right again. Some days we can make huge money with bots
Oh,
because there are no emotions involved. If there is a huge trade, it will wait for all until the last minute. But
okay.
if suddenly market turns choppy, the bots also can give the losses. So once you understand how to use trading view indicators
Yeah,
consistently, then it will be by looking at a chart, okay, if there is a blue rectangle, I should not enable a bot. If there is no blue rectangle, I am at a big sell order block. Then you go and enable your bot. Then bot will automatically take the sell. It will automatically wait until last minute to book the full profits. So that's why first you understand manually how to take the trades. Then you know when to enable the
Order
bot.
filled.
For example, you are at a discount zone tomorrow morning. Then you just go and enable ES and Q on the long side. Then it will
Order
go all
filled.
the way up, make $7,000, $2,000 in one trade.
okay, okay.
But yeah, understanding that manual approach, executing manually, then using bots will be much more effective. Otherwise, just will enable it and we'll expect every trade to make profits. Sometimes we may make nice profits. Sometimes again we may lose.
I will go for your chart description only when you say like to buy, right? Buy and sell like
Right,
that time only I will enable it. And once it is taken the trade, then I will manually I will close that trades actually. Like I
right,
don't
right.
wait for the bot to close it. That way I make it quickly actually. Within a week I turn to 20 P accounts.
Right, right. Yeah.
Even
Sure,
after
sure.
that also I was continuously getting that. One day it was messed up actually.
Right. Yeah.
like sure, I already bought like because you guys are talking. I already bought the
Order filled.
Replicanto and then TradeOvate or Trading View, and I bought all those licenses. So if I sign up for indicators, can I still use them or do I have to buy new again?
No, no. You can still use that.
I can still use. Okay,
Yeah.
I spent a lot of money with everything, all those. I spent
Yeah.
everything on the infrastructure, but I was not ready mentally. So,
Right, right. Yeah, that's what I told you, right? The first thing
right,
is very easy.
right,
Understanding when to use that.
right,
Yeah, controlling emotions is the toughest part. If we can
right.
get control on that, then there is nothing which can stop you. Whatever,
Mm.
right? That 300K, 400K every day you can make. I know you have a big account. You mentioned that.
Order filled.
Yeah,
Ishwarkar, actually, if I enable right here, I could see in the bottom the blue screen or something like.
Right. Yeah. When you go there, you can enable long. Right. Whenever you are close to the red, you enable short only. Whenever you are close to the green, enable long only.
Yeah, yeah, but I enable now. Just I want to test in SIM account. Oh, enable right here. This one I need to.
Mhm.
Oh, okay. Oh, now I got it. Yeah,
Right.
yeah. Now I got
Sure,
it.
Garu.
Yeah.
Resubscribed that indicator plan on Friday, and I'm still not got the access actually. So just wanted to
Yes.
check if you saw my
Can you
email.
put your username in the Zoom chat?
Yeah, RG_NJ.
Uh,
Wait, RG_NJ. Chart is disabled.
okay. Sorry, it is RG_NJ.
NJ. Yeah.
Okay. So you subscribe to 3 indicator plan, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. I'm giving you access to T5, T55, and price pulse. That is our number one combination.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I used a 5 indicator, then I downgraded to 3. Yeah. Not yet.
Again, if you have 5, again, as I said, top trend is also very good if you know how to use it. That
Okay.
is also very good. And the stock ranker, MPF, reversal, there are a lot of good indicators. But yeah, I suggest start with 3 and then you can always upgrade to 5. Yeah,
Yep.
you have access now.
Okay.
You can.
Thank you. Yep. Thanks.
Kishore, got one question here. The reversal, right?
Mhm.
SREV is it? That means, suppose the candle is in red, it is going to turn to green.
Right. Yeah, it came all the way to the bottom of the band. That
Oh,
means again it will go up.
okay, this one we need to see, right? This one and IREV
Yeah,
is also
that
same.
means that yeah, that is from the top of the band. If it is dropping, then you will get IREV.
Okay,
It is inverse reversal. Yeah, this is like strong reversal. That is like inverse. This is bullish. That is bearish.
okay, got it.
Yeah,
Hey,
Vignesh, do you have any
Kishore,
questions?
yes, Kishore. Can I share my screen real quick? I have a question on like alerts thing.
Yeah, please do.
Okay. So, wait. So you see my screen now?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I set up this T5 like
Mm-hmm.
15-minute trend change, right?
Right.
So for example, right, let's take this example. This alert came at 15:15 right here.
But why
So
you are using 15 minutes? Because
I
sometimes
mean,
15 minutes can be too late for day trading.
no, that this is for like I put it on the entire watch list. I have 5 minutes also. I have for 5 minutes also and 15 minutes
Okay.
also.
Okay. Right.
Uh,
Yeah.
so for in this case, right, this applies for 5 minutes also, right? So if I here, right, if the alert this red but that red dot, right, it comes candle array itself. Uh, so I get an alert like little later, right? So is
No.
there
When
any
was your
specific?
5 minutes alert?
I did
Because
not
always
get 5 minutes on this stuff, I think.
your 15 minutes alert will be always late, but your 5 minutes you should have you got on ES, right?
Yeah, this is
Generally,
an
if you get
ES.
on
See, if you look here, I never got one on ES on the, even if I scroll down, right, I never got one for 5 minutes. But I have configured everything for
Order filled.
5 and 15 minutes both.
no, if I 15-minute trend change, can you go to your alerts?
Yeah, okay, here. So
Mm,
this is
yeah,
my T5 trend change.
right. Go to alerts. No.
Okay, alerts, okay. I am in the alerts only. These are alerts only. You
No,
mean to the
okay.
logs?
Yeah, no. Sort them by symbol name. Go to the
Oh,
3 dots.
okay.
You have no. I think you are in the logs. I think.
No, I am in the alerts only. So what I've done is I selected your watch list, whatever RC future and stocks, right? I've set up entire these five are for the entire watch list.
Okay. Yeah, just give me control. Yeah, just I sorted it.
Okay.
So for ES, you have strong buy, strong sell.
Yeah.
You have strong buy, strong sell in 5 minutes. Yes,
Yeah.
but
So
you don't have
yeah.
trend change
So
alert,
I
right?
have it, Kishore. If you scroll up, right, if you select the first one in the top T5 trend change, go to the settings, right? So here I have selected this for entire symbol RC future and stock. So I have the ES, everything is in that watch list. So
Okay,
that applies to the entire watch list.
okay. If I trend change, 355 buy sell, okay.
The first five, I think for each watch list, I can have like only five such setup. So I have five of them set up.
Right, okay. Let me go to, so this is your, so maybe, what time? 2:30. So what you are saying is you didn't see that alert in 5 minutes.
Yeah, correct. I did not get that alert in 5 minutes, but I got only in 15 minutes.
Strong buy sell signal, strong buy signal. E5 price reversing. This is strong buy sell order block. This is 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's for the
This
5 minutes.
so this is for 5 minutes only, right?
Yeah, that's for 5 minutes. Yeah, you can see that it shows 5 minutes.
Right. So your question is this one only, or
Yeah, my question is like, meaning it applies for sometime I've never seen like always when I can't, meaning I get the alert only 5 minutes later when the candle comes, right? Is it how it is expected to be, or
yeah,
do I
generally
get an
at the
alert at the same
candle
time
close.
at candle
Generally at the
close?
candle close, you will get the alert.
Okay, after candle close. Okay, that means that normally the next candle will get the alert.
Right. Yeah. Immediately
Okay,
at the open of the next candle, you will get the alert.
okay, right. And yeah, and meaning one more question, like, do you have any, meaning, I want to know, like, is it, I'm using the right alerts, like T5 price reversing, is that what I need to set, or are there any other
Yeah.
options I need to?
Mainly I focus on reversal.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
That is, whenever you get the reversal, if you see confluence from all others, that is the best opportunity.
okay, got it. So, how about the order block? Is that something that, meaning only when I want to take at the premium or the discount?
Right.
Okay. So
Yeah.
for
Order
that, I need
block.
to set order block only, right?
Yeah. For that, you set order block, right?
Okay.
Or generally, your reversal alert will help you with that, because generally whenever it goes to premium, it will drop.
Okay.
So most of the time, your reversal alert will cover that also. So that's
Okay.
why, yeah. Again, sometimes the order block will help you,
Okay.
but even the reversal itself is enough.
Okay. And one more, one last question, Krishu. What meaning? I'm still, I have, meaning I get good alerts, I make good entries. Meaning sometimes, most of the times, the problem I have is with my emotions. I'm still battling with that. My stop loss, I'm still tend to keep a stop loss. Sometimes I see like you are trading with patience, you wait, you know how when is reversal happening, you patient wait for it. Somehow I'm not able to manage that during my trading, right? So for even today, there was a very good entry I made on NQ. It reversed. It was in MNQ, in fact. It reversed, and I was at $100 loss. This is my prop account only, but I thought it will go up, and I closed it. Maybe I'm not able to have that patience to wait. Maybe I don't know. Should I wait until the order block? So I am. If you can help me with the stop loss struggle, I think it will be helpful.
So at what point of time you took the trade?
Um,
You said like that NQ thing, right? It was morning
MNQ,
or
yeah, it was like around in the evening, around maybe 6 or so, I think. I can look at the timestamp here and there. Yeah, it may be around the evening, I think, after 3:30 or 4, around that time. Yeah.
you took trade at around 3:30?
Yeah,
Okay.
on
So
NQ.
yeah, generally you won't have good volume around that time. 3:30
Okay.
EST or
See, Central.
3:30 Central. Generally better you don't take any trades from 3 to 4. Volume will be very, very low after
Okay,
3.
okay. Got it.
And
Okay.
also if there are earnings or something like Google, AMD, suddenly it can also have a big
Oh,
impact.
okay.
So better you don't take any trades from 3 to 4.
Okay.
So second thing is, again, right, that emotions everybody will have it, but
Mm.
as you practice, as you use it more, or as you keep watching live sessions, your
Okay.
confidence will improve,
Okay.
right? Your confidence on yourself, confidence on the indicators,
Okay.
confidence on the following the rules. Once that
Okay.
improves, then your patience will improve, because you know that okay, Kishore is making 150K on one trade. Why
Yeah.
can't I do it? Right? If I
Yeah.
just wait with some more patience, maybe I can make $500 in one trade, if not
Yeah. Yeah.
150K. So
Okay.
that will build that confidence, and that will bring you closer to the success. And
Okay.
again, it's all about, if you take a trade with a proper entry criteria, then you will be confident.
Okay.
Right? If you are seeing that it is dropping from the top, it
Okay.
is at a big sell order block, or it is at the top of the channel, or it is at a premium zone. Right?
Okay.
When you know that okay, it is a setup which works 90% of the time, then you won't feel panic.
Okay.
But if we don't know why we entered a trade, we feel panic and we'll close it. When you see $100 loss, also we feel panic.
Okay. Okay. Got
So
it.
yeah, you will get it there very soon.
Okay. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Thank you.
Right. Sure. Yeah. Hi, Arif.
Sure. Yeah. So I just want to know about the new indicator which you introduced, right? What is that? RC beta?
Right. Again, right. Every indicator will work in the same way, right? Again, my intention is not to confuse anyone.
Hmm.
Yeah, beta is not a new indicator, right? It is there since more than 1 year. Price
Okay.
pulse, top trend, reversal, all these are there, but
So
mainly, yeah, I
I have
want everyone to
reversal.
use.
I have reversal. So still reversal is better, or should I look for beta?
Again, price pulse is equally good, top trend is equally good, reversal is for anything we need to just follow the rules.
Okay.
Right? It is like your Honda is good, your Toyota is good, everything. So in the same way, indicators also, every indicator is good, right? Otherwise, we don't need to use them or don't need to develop them. So if you are using price pulse or if you are using top trend, because if you keep shifting also, you will not be perfect in anything. If you keep
Okay.
using the beta for 2 days, again next 2 days you use top trend, next 2 days you use reversal, you
Okay.
will be more confused. So better if you took reversal, then just follow that. It should go all the way to the top of the band, then you should get that I reversal. Or if it goes all the way to the bottom of the band, if you get a SREV, then it
Hmm.
will go up.
Okay.
So for any indicator, there are certain rules. If we follow, we'll be successful.
Yeah, so that's what I'm also still struggling to do the emotions. Like I took this morning, like when you say SPX, right? When it was
Right.
coming almost down, I was so scared. Then I closed it. Like even though you said like leave it expired by the time, I could not control my emotions. I paid back and closed it at like 0.2 or something.
Okay, still you made
Order
profit, right?
filled.
Yeah, still I made the profit, but I mean the emotion part is something which I am also trying
Yeah,
to.
don't ruin the when you win, take the gain. That's the
Right.
small gains add up.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's okay, right? Slowly, right? Earlier you were in losses. Today you took some small profits. Tomorrow you'll take full 100% profit. It
Yeah.
it
So
is better than taking a loss. It's
the
okay,
only
right?
thing is scaring me is IBM now because I took a little high position that time thinking that IBM is a good one, but it's not
Right, right.
coming down. So let's see how it goes. 3 more days.
Again, right? All we need is yesterday or yeah, day before us, it came nearly to the profits, right? With that, but
Well, I
again,
think ES has turned into really good short now. Looks like
yeah,
all
yeah.
of them.
But yeah, if we take a trade again, we have to stay for another
Yeah,
half
yeah,
an
I
hour.
know. I know. I was thinking to go. That's what I was thinking to go with meaning. That's what I was asking you. So
Order submitted.
I was waiting for that support to break. It looks like it broke through. I was
Right,
thinking that
right.
I should go short.
Overall, they are looking bearish. Yeah,
I might just go
especially with
short
the
with the one mini and
AMD and Google reporting bad results.
yeah.
Most probably tomorrow market will be negative. Maybe
Unfortunately,
IBM also may go down.
unfortunately, I'm in long with the AMD leaves. So we'll
Yeah.
see.
So mainly I took a couple of trades today. Let's see how it goes. But
I
those
even shared the
are
screenshots, right? I shared like AMD. We took a bear call and
Yeah, yeah, no, no.
showed.
I'm in AMD leaves. Like I want to own the share. So
so
that's why.
you know what happened when you send the message, reduce the position size. I just took 5, then I immediately closed everything because
Okay.
reduction and now close. I thought like it's not a heavy like a quantity, so I just closed it.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But
That's
I
okay.
took
Again, if you book profit, that is always good. Whether
yeah,
you make
because
30%
SPX
or
is
20%.
yeah, SPX is something very good, like because I have never seen a single going bad, right? So I think you're very good in that.
Hey, Kishore, what's up with that Chipotle?
Yeah, again, tomorrow it may come up. Yeah, they reported very good earnings, but not as expected because
I
the
have a lot of
expectations.
stocks in there too, actually.
It's a good company. Most probably it
Yeah.
should. Yeah, tomorrow we may see a reversal back because there are buy orders at the bottom.
Mm,
So we may see reversal in the morning. So there are some
okay.
stocks which generally happens like that. On the earnings
Mm,
day they go down. Even Tesla also same thing. It goes down. Next day it will go up. Meta also sometimes same thing. There are
mm,
many. So that's where you are instead of calls or puts. If you do bull puts, bear calls, your risk is minimal.
yeah. I have
We can.
because I never used to do these options, right? I was just doing the stock trading. Chipotle, I have a lot of stocks. I thought, okay, with your bull put, I thought, okay, I'm going to make a lot of money. So,
Yeah, actually, yeah, it
mhm.
it moved and then dropped. But tomorrow again we may see a move up.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, I'm not doing anything with it anyway. So
Right, right. It is a
yeah,
very good company, right? Well,
right. Yeah,
yeah, most people cannot live without Chipotle here. So
yeah. And I was very surprised with AMD. It is
y-
doing really bad. I have a lot of stocks in there too. So
yeah, again for long term that is good. And yeah, if
yeah,
you can buy it around $80, that's again a bargain.
yeah.
It will
I don't
go
know if
back
it is going
to
to. Mm,
130, 140 again.
right. Yeah.
Yeah,
How
Priya,
you
do
are
you
able
have?
to predict,
Yes.
Kishore? So because you did both sides, right, for SPX. So I was doing one side, but when you give the signal like a bear call spread also, I couldn't take it because by the time I tried to get at 1.4, it was already like 80 cents or something. It's so fast, right? I don't want to touch it if it is going that fast.
Yeah, it's all about watching where the buyers, big sellers. Go above where the big sellers are, do a bear call. Go where the big buyers are, do a bull put below that.
It exactly close in between those two ranges. That's why I was surprised. I was panicked and I closed with like I got profit, but I
Hey,
was
Kishore.
not able to control. So
Kishore, sorry, I have a question. So, when I opened this copy trader, I have created all these tabs. Do I need to, every time I log in, do I need to create this or can I save these somehow?
You can save the workspace. Yeah. If you save
Or
the
save it?
workspace,
Okay, I got you.
Mhm. Yeah. Priya, do you have a question?
Yes, Kishore. Like the NQ we took, right? Did you close the position? It's completely going bearish, right? Kishore, maybe I missed that part. Did you close it or are we waiting till tomorrow morning?
No, we closed everything and immediately I said
Oh,
like I'm closing.
okay, I missed it. Okay. And on the stocks part, we cannot do in this
Prop
trade of it,
firms.
right? Prop firms,
That
we
is
cannot do stocks. You're going back to this personal account and doing the stocks, right, Kishore?
that is right. Yeah.
And so even if we connect Thinkorswim by paying them extra, it's still not going to affect on the stocks. It's only for futures to be copied.
Yeah. And the Ninja, if you do that,
Mm-hmm.
then you'll get the data for stocks.
So can we buy and sell in here in the trader wedge itself? We can.
Um, no, you cannot buy and trade of it.
Okay. Okay.
You,
But on the futures, we can still do bear calls, spreads, and everything, Kishore, right?
in your Thinkorswim.
In the trade of it, like whatever, for
No,
example,
no, no,
NQ.
no.
Is
Trade
it
of it is
only
only trade of it means only for futures.
futures are only for like you can do a buy or sell. That's it, right? You
Right,
cannot.
just like a stock. Yeah, just
Okay.
think futures like a stock. You can only buy
Understood.
or you can sell them.
Understood. Okay, Kishore. Thank you.
Yeah. Yes, Sriman, do you have any questions?
Yeah, can we ask a question regarding the SPX fund, or do we have another meeting sometime?
No, please let me know. Yeah.
Yeah, so I did transfer. I did not get confirmation, but I ended up receiving the documentation. So does that mean they complete the sign limited liability cooperation document?
Right.
Is
Yeah.
one?
Yeah. You can sign it and
Yeah, once
yeah.
the
I also sent you the Telegram channel link. Did you join that link?
I joined, since I deposited the amount, I did not see my name. So I am not sure like which one is mine.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, you can join because sometimes, right, it takes 1 or 2 days to exactly reflect whose deposit is what.
Yeah, I checked with the bank. It was completed, but in your
Right,
screenshot I didn't see my name.
right. Because deposits doesn't show the name. If you do wire transfer, it will easily show the name. But yeah,
Okay.
anyway, you are in the channel. You already got the contract, so yeah, you are all good.
Okay,
Hey,
sure.
Kishore.
Yeah, thanks.
Same question. I don't know you got mine or not. I didn't receive any contracts yet, so that's what
Yeah,
I
you'll
was.
receive today.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
Sure.
So you got my phone, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay,
you
cool.
received. Yeah, yeah, we made nearly around 8% on the day two on the fund three. So today we made nearly
Order
200K,
submitted.
Kishore, I was
200
little
grand.
confused with your earlier message that you're gonna mix trades in the like. I don't really care, but I wasn't sure what that message meant.
No, there are 20 companies reporting. I don't want to take all 20 companies in all the funds.
I see, I
I'll
see, I
take
see, I see. I
I'll
got you,
take
I got
some
you.
five companies in fund one, five companies in
Yeah,
fund
okay.
two.
So it's just matter of luck of draw, right? Which one does better? So yeah, I got you. Okay, makes sense.
Yeah, and also, yeah, we don't want to, yeah, put too much,
You don't want to expose
because,
everybody to same thing. Yeah, I know, I got it.
right. And
You're doing a
SPX, yeah, if
diversification
we
thing.
can make a huge with
Order
SPX in the
submitted.
morning time where we have 100% control, that
Yeah,
means
yeah.
is we have 80%, 85%
Oh, yeah, yeah. No, got it.
success. So
Makes
I
sense.
feel, yeah,
Thank you.
sure. Yeah. Hi, Sachin, do you have a question? Santosh?
Hey, Kishore.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah, can you share my screen? Just a question on this.
Sachin, meantime, do you have any quick question?
Sure. For tomorrow, for the ADP report and all, which there could be like big bounce either up or down, right? Most
Right.
likely down. So is it? I was checking the take profit trader. Take profit trader has no consistency rule in the evaluation time. Also, they do not have any consistency
The,
rule in
in
the PA time.
evaluation, they have 50% consistency rule. You cannot make more than 50% on one day.
The evaluation they have, but in the PA count, there is.
In
I
PA,
mean,
you don't have any consistency. You can make 10,000, 20,000 also, and you can request the payout at the end of the day.
I see. And consistency rule that 50% in one day, you should not be making more than total
Yeah,
profit that you make, right?
that is right.
So
Yeah.
my
Even
point
if
is,
you make also, they will adjust your target. So,
can I give an example? Let's say I'm
right,
taking a
for example,
25,000 account.
let us say 50,000 account, 3,000
Huh,
is the target.
okay,
So generally they allow up to $1,500 you can make in one day. For
okay.
example, let us say you are making 2,000.
Huh,
Then instead of 3,000, they'll ask you to make 3,500 now.
okay, okay. So basically, if you make 3,000 the first day itself, then they will wait for another 1,000 to,
Another 1,500.
1,500 to wait for that.
Right.
I see, I see. And once I make 1,500, then my payout can be possible because already it is 4,500, isn't it?
Whatever you are doing in evaluation, that is purely just to prove that you can make money.
Okay,
So
okay, okay.
nothing in evaluation will give you any money. But once you move to performance, then whatever, if you make 5,000 at the end of the day, you can request.
So as we discussed other day, once conversion, if the evaluation changes to performance, they will again set the scale to 0. You have to again start making that stop loss.
Right. Right.
Okay. So question for you was that 25,000, 25K per year also there, like 1,500. Is that a good shot, like in a five plus side five, like short and long, this 25K, or it will be like too risky?
I think that strategy is good for big size accounts like 150K, 200K. Generally, for small accounts, even if it is suddenly, sometimes what they do is
Hmm.
they take it little bit down and suddenly take it up.
Hmm.
So for
So
smaller accounts, that is a risky strategy to use on both different directions.
Order filled.
if even you use the MNQ also.
Yeah, MNQs is okay. You can use MNQs, but again, you won't make huge profits, right? When you do with NQ, if suddenly there is a 50 point, 100 point move,
Hmm.
then you can make your targets, reach the targets within 1 day, right? Especially with the PDFI evaluation accounts or Apex evaluation accounts.
They don't have any consistency rule, huh?
Yeah, they don't, right? Within 1 day you can pass. So for those companies, this strategy is good.
Okay. Take profit trader is primarily like, you slow and steady, you just grow along with it.
Right, yeah. Again, you can do 50% 1 day, 45% another day, and make right, 2%, 2%, 2% another 3 days.
Mm.
And then every day you make 300, 400, and you can start taking payouts.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That payout time, I mean, once the conversion happens to the PA, then you can make 1 day also 10,000. There is no consistency, as you said, right? You
There
can
is
take
no,
advantage of.
that is right. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Got it. Thank you,
Yeah.
sir.
Sure. Yes, Santosh, please go ahead.
Yeah. Hey, Kishore Garu. Quick question. This table, sometimes it's not showing the correct trend, I believe, because, just now it turned out red. It was showing before this turning out red, it was green and going up direction, and both this price pulse are showing blue and green. In that case, the trend is supposed to be green, right?
Yeah, again, it depends on overall trend, right? It is not just about last 3, 4 candles,
Order
Okay.
filled.
because your overall, it looks at different parameters and find out whether. So, what do you think crude oil? Can you go to 1 hour time frame?
Okay.
Yeah. Can you scroll it down? Yeah. So, what do you think the trend in the 1 hour? Do you think it's bullish or bearish?
Oh my God, what's okay? One second. So in 1 hour, mine is extremely slow. Looks like it's going crazy. In last 1 hour, this was showing bullish, right?
No, no, don't look at that. Just look at the price, right?
Okay.
Is the price moving up or price moving down? If you just see the chart,
Okay. So 1 hour, yeah, it was sideways too, right? Going up and down.
if you put a trend line or if you put a vertical slanting line, is it straight or is it upside or is it downside? If you try to connect all the top of each candle,
This one, you mean here?
like last few hours candles, right?
Filled.
All those 5, 6 candles. So
Okay, okay.
basically, it is in a downtrend. If you see,
Okay.
right, initially you got around 12 o'clock, you had a nice green candle. Then again,
Right.
big red candle.
Okay.
Then
Yeah.
red candles. Price is
Right.
dropping. So
Okay.
overall trend is bearish in 1 hour, or even if you go to 4 hours, you go to daily, you see that the price is in a downtrend.
Downtrend. Okay.
So better you only focus on the sell signals.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Got it. Got it. Okay. So another question, when I was watching on your live trading sessions, I see a little bit lagging on my screen because in your screen it is turning out green or red here done, but mine is still. I had to wait like 5 plus to 10 minutes to get in mine that signal.
You see
So
that
do you
you
think?
have some delayed data. Why there is a D there? You are connected to TraderWeight, right?
Right, right, yeah,
But if there is a
yeah,
D, that means you are getting
clear,
delayed
right?
data.
Yeah.
There might be. Oh, you are on paper trade.
No, no, I am on with Apex. So let's see, generally, if it is delayed, it's here
Filled.
also it should show delayed. Last week I was doing paper trade, but later now I am on one of these Apex.
Okay.
But now
Yeah,
it's not showing. You see?
right. Maybe it might be internet issue. It might be your laptop issue. There can be multiple factors why you are getting some little lag in the data,
Okay,
or you are seeing little bit. So if you have too many apps on your laptop also,
okay,
if you are doing your office work, you opened your Windows, PPT, all those things.
Okay.
Also, sometimes it can your CPU, the processor might be totally consuming. So better, yeah, you have a different laptop and also, yeah, in that way,
Good machine,
you,
basically, you would advise having good machine. This one is Mac. I know it is. I don't feel like to use it, but unfortunately, I don't have any other spare one, so I'm
yeah,
using it.
Mac is a good one. Only thing is make sure you don't have too many apps open at the time. While
Okay.
trading, just make sure you have only trading apps for
Okay.
trading view and all those things.
Right. Okay. So one more last question. So if I want to use a replica to copy for other accounts,
Mhm.
can I continue to trade here in Mac, and can I have a
Yeah,
like offline other machine
yes,
replica
yeah,
also that is
yeah.
allowed?
Your replicanda can be on any machine. It
Any
can be
machine.
on any other VPS or Windows, any other Windows laptop.
Okay, got it. Got it. Yeah, that's all I have. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, yeah. Vivek, do you have any questions?
Yeah, I want to share the screen. Ring. Okay. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for providing the access. You can see my screen, right?
Yep.
So yeah. Hello.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yeah. So basically the question is, so I was looking at the minis. I was going through the futures training that you had in the videos. So, uh, so then what I noticed was like, this strong sell and buy are not like, with uh, they are not they are coming after a long time. For example, if you see in this chart, right, the strong sell, there is one strong buy. Uh,
So your chart was not clear. So you got a strong
okay.
sell here, right?
Yeah, like here, if you see the first one is the strong buy, right? Like if you see the strong buy was
Mm-hmm.
around 1620, and then the next strong sell is 1730, right?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
So the timing between the strong buy and sell are pretty long. It's almost like 1 hour, right? So
So what do
whenever
you mean by
something,
pretty long? You want a strong buy, strong sell for every 5-10 minutes, or based on
so
the
at
price?
when the strong buy happens, I put in buy order or something like that here, right? I make the order, but the price fluctuates, right? Like my stop loss goes really very long, like 200, $300, $400, it going pretty
No, but
long.
but
Then I
after
decide to,
after
yeah,
strong buy, it went nearly 20-30 points up, right? You got strong buy somewhere here,
right.
and it went all the way to nearly 620, nearly that is 42, 30, 40 ticks. Even with
But the
MNQ.
timing is like this one strong buy is about 1620.
Mm-hmm.
So this is around
Yes.
1640. So 20 minutes, like is 20 minutes is a good time to wait? Like how long we should wait before making the, like, getting into stop
Yeah,
loss? Like,
once you
yeah,
make 100 to right here, you got a buy. That means you are buying going long.
yeah,
Is that clear?
yes.
Now it moved all the way, right? We moved nearly with two MNQs also. It made $100 plus, and
But it's not,
it
but
went to
it's
the
not,
top of the range.
yeah, like, for example, I'm keeping my stop loss because I just took the account. I had to reset my account yesterday because all my, like, I went below the threshold of the losses. So I had
Mm-hmm.
to reset my account. So, but then, so if I take any trade, like say when I take a strong buy here, at some 21577, right?
Mm-hmm.
Um, the price goes, like, $5, $2, $3, $4, or something like that. It goes pretty down. And my stop loss is going like $200, $300. So it's not consistent. So I end up like, I'm looking at the stop loss and it's like $200 loss. Then I'm
Yeah,
just taking it out.
with MNQ, why you have $200 stop loss?
No, I'm
in a,
just giving an example. I have like MNQ and MES. Both of them I was looking
okay,
at.
still
Yeah.
even with micros, right?
Uh,
If you have taken that strong buy signal, that would have easily made $100 profit. I'm not getting where you got a 100 or 200 stop loss there.
like I instead of one, I keep it like probably three of them. Limit orders, and maybe I can show. I don't know.
Yeah, I
There are
think you're not
multiple.
getting the logic, or you're right. So again, if you see, right, for example, you got a strong buy there, right?
Okay, right.
And you are at the bottom, it came all the way to the bottom and started moving up. T5. At the bottom, you see T5.
Yes. This is also started moving. Yeah.
Right. So let us say you took 2 micros or 3 micros. It moved all the way up some 10 points or something on NQ. That means that is nearly $60, $70 profit. You close and you again wait for the next signal. Again,
Um,
you got a
This,
strong sell. Again, you
this,
take a shot with 2 or 3 micros. You see that T5, there is a dot at the top. There is a nice
yeah.
gap between white line and red line.
Yeah.
You take the shot and you wait for some time, and again you make $50 with 2 or 3 micros. You close the trade.
you have to do
But
smaller
there are
trades.
in between there are some greens right here. You
Right,
should
price
like
will not just
You
go in
can
one
you
direction.
can choose to trade them, but that will go against you, right? That's the whole point, is to do the multiple confluences to increase your win rate. You can trade any point of time. But what it will do is it will just go up and down, and it will just keep chopping you until it decides to take a formation. So that's why we are trying to take these indicators to, kind of give you a confirmation that when it's starting the uptrend, when it's starting the downtrend, right? That's what we're trying to focus on. So you kind of try to ignore noise, right? You don't have to take trade. And I know it's kind of hard when you're watching a chart, but you have to. I think Kishore said it one time. I don't think he said it multiple times. You have to look for a reason not to trade. Right? Look for a reason why you shouldn't trade that.
so basically I have a strong sell here, but what I am not getting is the stop loss. Like, if I'm seeing $100 stop loss, for example, I'm I'm panicking and then sell closing that position.
Yes, you have to
But
accept it, right?
so when is
What
that
is your
buy
what is your risk
like
to reward? So what are you thinking? So if you're thinking that, okay, $100 loss is big enough for me to close the position, what are you targeting?
yeah, I'm putting a stop loss so that I don't go into further losses
Yeah,
of
but what is your
$100.
target? What is your target? I think the stop loss is fine. You
Right.
can.
Yeah, and also I'm putting like, if it is $100 for the gain, then I'm coming out of the
Yeah. So
position.
see, your risk to reward is 1:1, right? So every single time you take a trade, you are, if it doesn't hit your target in one point, then every time you take a trade, you're gonna lose it, right? Because you are risking $1 to make a $1. Does it make sense? You want to risk $1 to make $2, so that every time you hit your target, right, you can take the next trade confidently, right? If you're already up to, if you think about this way, if a single trade you're up $50 in your first trade, the first trade you take, if you have up $50, it gives you confidence to take the next trade, and it gives you some equity to have a margin of error, right? So you gotta it comes with the practice. Don't panic, right? And futures is very hard. Stocks and options are, difficult as it is, but you have to follow the systematic trade, like Kishore is saying, right? You gotta follow the indicator. And trust me, I have blew up accounts too. So, but it's all we are trying to learn here.
Yeah, so I think yesterday it was like, all losses, but today I was trying to do, a controlled way. But the problem, right, other problem I am seeing is there is a lot of I have been watching this for quite a long time, so I'm
That's
not
another
sure like
problem.
how
That's
long
another
should I
problem.
watch.
You need to have multiple ticker. If don't focus on once, you need to get out of a trade, right? Once you make 50, $100, $200 out of a ticker, get out of the ticker. Stop watching it. At least that's what I do. right? Because
No,
if I
I'm the beginner actually. I never traded futures. This is the first time, and
Right.
I'm just following the
I think what
rules
happens is
which
that if you watch one ticker just continuously for hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, it starts wearing on you, right? Does it make sense that you're
but I
watching, and
actually sorry, I can't concentrate on multiple tickers right now. Like I can do one or two
Yeah,
right now,
yeah,
my
Vivek.
capacity. So I was just wondering
So
which way
Vivek,
to go. Yeah,
right? What I tell you is, you wait for the premium zone where there is a 10,000 sell order block, right?
right here.
You wait
Okay,
there, then you will easily make $400 in one trade. Even if you take 2 or 3 MNQs or 2 3 MES, you don't trade somewhere in the middle where it can move up and down, where you will feel panic. When you are
okay,
a beginner, you wait for proper premium zone with a sell order block,
okay,
or you wait for a discount zone with a big buy order block. If a discount, let us say a discount zone, let us say you see a 5,000 orders or 10,000 orders, then you take the trade there, or you go to the premium and wait for sell order. Then easily you will make 400, 500. When you are in somewhere in middle, it can go up, it can go down. But when you are at
okay,
the top, right, premium is like your top of the box. Discount is like
okay,
your bottom of the box. And if discount also gives you a confidence with the big buyers are also buying there, if you see a big buy order block, right? As of
yeah,
now, you don't see any buy orders,
right. Yeah.
right? Do you see any buy orders there?
No buy orders. Just
That
there
means
are some.
the big companies are not ready to buy because they think like till there is more potential for NQ to go down because of Google, AMD earnings, or because of China, US situation, whatever reason. So then you should not go long here. But for example, in the morning, let us say it goes to the premium zone and you see big sale order. That is a perfect opportunity. So you wait for the right opportunities. Don't force a trade. We don't need to take 10 trades every day. All we need is one good setup. You will make few $100, copy that into 10, 20 accounts. That will make few $1,000,
Okay.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah, in
and
the
sometimes there is a when the notification comes, I was trying to put the order. There is some delay, so usually I see there is probably a 50 cents or $1. Some difference is there.
right,
So
NQ moves
when
so
is it
fast, right?
okay
Even
to
yeah, that is
uh,
okay. Yeah, we
is it
cannot
okay to still
exactly
put the
catch.
order? Okay.
Yeah, yeah, it is still okay, right? Because if you are at a big sell order block at a premium zone, it will drop 50, 60 points. So don't
Yeah.
worry about 2 points there.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And
NQ moves. Yeah.
usually what timings are the best for doing this futures? Uh,
Generally, if you are a beginner, all right, before 7:30 is good. 7:30 Central, 6 to 7:30 is a good time. It will be little slow, but because in the US hours, once you understand how the tickers move, where are the best places to take the trades, then you can trade in the US hours. But in the initial days, try to use MNQ, one MNQ, two MNQs, one or two MES for first few days. Then you will understand how NQ moves, how ES moves, when it goes to premium with a big sell order, how it moves, when it goes to discount and with a big buy order, how it moves, or if it goes to discount without a buy order, how it moves. You will understand all the patterns, all different scenarios, what can happen. Then, when
okay.
once you get that experience, if you trade in US hours, you will be a lot more successful.
Oh, okay. 6 to
Right?
7:30 in the evening, right?
One is in the morning, 6 to 7:30 a.m. Central will be one directional. Generally, it goes from discount to premium or premium to discount. It will be just one easy to trade. Then again, 6 to 8:30, 6 to 9 Central is also good in the evening.
Okay, got
Yeah,
it.
if you focus on MNQ also, that should be okay.
Okay, and usually MNQ, MES are the good uh, tickers to look at
Right. Yeah.
for
Better,
starting.
right? What I suggest is MES is more stable compared to MNQ. MNQ can suddenly move up and down. It can create panic, especially if you're a new trader. Better you
Okay,
start with MES. You take two micros.
okay, got it. Yeah,
Then, yeah, otherwise, MNQ can make lot of money and also can lose lot of money. If it suddenly moves, you get panic and you close it. Immediately, it will again go and hit your target. So
yeah,
what I
that's
suggest is, yeah, start with MES. Then you After a few days, you use MNQ.
Got it. Yeah. Thanks a lot.
Okay. Kalyan, do you have any questions?
Yes. Yeah, I mean, using your indicators, have been trading slow and steady. One thing I wanted to see is I always tend to take long positions mostly. And I don't have much confidence to go on the short side. What can I do to improve that? Because I'm a
Again,
little
right?
hesitant to go short. I always feel like, oh, it's going to go back on me, and then trade's going to go against me. Always
Yeah,
shorting
right. If
something.
you're if
I
you
mean,
want
I
to make,
do once in a while bear calls, like when it is at the very consolidated, like at hourly for a little bit longer, and then I jump into a bear call spread. I know I might have taken some trades what you post, but some I've done like by myself and made 30 $40 out of one spread and then exited like on 10 spreads. I made decent, but trying to gain that confidence to hold it longer to make more
right,
profit out of it.
right, right. It's
If
all
you're
about
trading,
mental. It's
yeah,
all about
if you if
mental
you
block
Yeah,
only,
it's
right?
not like I'm losing any money. It's just that gaining that confidence to stay a little longer in the trade.
Right, right. So today, right? I don't know whether you are in live session or not.
I
So
do sometimes join, but sometimes it work. Yeah, I can't stay a full session.
mhm,
Sometimes I see messages and then try if it's not too late, I might join, take some
okay.
trades, but I
Right,
mostly do on my own
right,
whenever
right.
I
Yeah.
can.
So for stocks, I understand if you have a concern, that is okay. But if God appears and asks you like, uh, tell me any two wishes, do you say no, no? I just want one wish?
No, I would
Right.
take
In the
two.
same way, futures trading gives us opportunities every day in the form of two sides.
Hmm.
Whenever you are at a premium at a sell order block, you
Hmm.
can make a lot of money by shorting NQES, or you can make a lot of money with bear calls. You can make a lot of money with QQQs, buy bear calls. So you are missing 50% of the opportunities every day. And especially when you have a lot of political tension, lot of these things, tariff wars with China, Mexico, Canada, right? And market is already overbought. Since last 2 years, it was going up and up. In weekly, it is at a premium zone. In daily, it is at a premium zone. So if you don't remove that mental block, you will lose all the opportunities this year. There might be lot of drops like this. So because right, market went so much up. You know that, right? Or I can share it. I already shared it, but just I want to remove that mental block so that you can make a lot of money from tomorrow.
Yeah, like in today, I did iron condor, and then I got like $900 credit on SPX, and I could hold like at end like in 60 50 was the final top price like where I could at least break even there. But I took $300 profit and then I closed it. I know I left some on the table, but which is fine. I mean, I'm not like worried about that. I still made $300. Like it was like 30% profit
But it is not fine,
on the
right?
trade.
Like
Sorry?
I made nearly 300K with short side today.
Oh
So if I think
wow.
like, okay, making 20K is okay, it's okay. If market is too choppy or something, okay, making some
Hmm.
profit is okay. But today it
Right.
was a perfect opportunity, right? If you see the weekly chart, you are at the top, you are at the premium zone, right? Somewhere in 2023, market started moving up from the bottom. 2023 entire, it went all the way up. Then there was a small drop, pull back, and again it went all the. So now you are at a top. At any point of time, we may have a huge drop. So if you don't remove that mental block of not taking on this short side, then you will lose all this opportunity. You may have a big drop. Again, there might be China, US tensions, or there can be anything. You may see a huge drop at any point of time. So you'll unnecessarily miss all those opportunities if you think like only better to, if for stocks don't short them, but for futures you have a lot of opportunity every day by shorting them. So yeah, don't miss those opportunities because you are missing 50% of the opportunities in the market if you don't short them or if you don't do bear calls or that's why, right? I'm not asking you even to do puts. If you are somewhere here, you do a bear call, your risk is minimal, right? You are
So
just
best time to enter on a bear call is good consolidation. That's what I am adapting. Like go on a 1 hour if it's consolidating on the premium zone for a little long. Then I go. I'm taking that bear call, and then on the bottom side on the discount zone. I know not every time it's going to be there for too long consolidation. At least like now with this all the news. So that's where I probably am missing some opportunities. Yeah, I might have to
no, but
rethink my
you don't
strategy.
even need to wait for 1 hour also because 1 hour
Mm-hmm.
in the night time it might be in the bottom, but in the morning by the time it may be at the top. But
Mm.
in 5 minutes, tomorrow morning, if I am at premium zone and you have a big sell order block, you do bear calls, you will make 100K. Or you are at a discount zone, you are at a big buy order block here, you take some 100 contracts, you will make 100K within few minutes.
So other question regarding this bear call and bull put spreads. When you call out, like sometimes you were receiving very minimal credit to what your max loss could be. So you're going with confidence that the price is not gonna reach there by end of the day. That's the whole reason you're like today. I think you called out for 69.60 and 69.70, something like that, for a
Yeah,
bear call
you have a huge, some $1 million of sell order blocks there.
on the five
So one
minutes.
is, one is based on your ATR or based on different factors. Your SPX will not go there,
Mm-hmm.
right? There is no chance. And also SPX close at 3 p.m. It is not until 3:15, so your earnings also will not impact your SPX. And at what, right? We already this morning we started somewhere around 59.90. We got a bull puts when we started the day. So generally the average move is 30 to 40 points. So I took 150 contracts and held until last minute. Right? We collected $1. $1 with 150 contracts is nearly $150,000 with just one trade. It came to premium zone. There was a huge order block. So you already moved 40, 50 points, which is the normal move on a day in SPX. If you are going up and taking a bear call here, it should move another 50, 60 points up. So what is your risk here? Are you getting it?
Yeah.
So your risk is easily close to zero, right?
Yeah,
Unless
just until like some reason like squeezes in the last sometimes it does in the last 5-10 minutes, squeeze up
so
like 20,
even if
30
it
points. Yeah.
squeezes, you have so millions of sell orders here. It will
Mm-hmm.
go touch that and again drop.
Mm-hmm.
Right? If there is no sell order block, if I take that is a risk. But if there is a sell order block, even if it goes there, and immediately it will drop 10 points down. So the
You
chance
don't
of it,
see any volume there, right? On that, on where you're seeing like millions of orders there. It's just because of the block size.
yeah, that is the limit orders. They kept the limit
Okay.
orders there. So sellers,
Okay.
if price goes there, those orders will get filled.
Mm-hmm.
So that's where I
No, I
said you
think
can.
what he's asking is, I
It
don't
doesn't
see
show
the
any
number here
volume.
now. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's no number there, right? So that's what he's
Yeah,
trying to
because
do.
now market is closed, right?
Right.
If
Yeah.
I do a replay or something. Yeah, basically you have You have 18 million here. And then
Yeah, that's interesting. It doesn't show any volume right now after hours.
yeah, because SPX closed at 3 p.m.
3 p.m. Central, right?
Yeah, 3 p.m. Central.
Irrespective of that, normally we see the volume there. I don't know for some reason today.
Yeah.
And
But
actually,
anyway,
I've been doing these stocks for many years. I just buy and sell stock. That's all. I don't know anything about this future. What is this future actually means? I know it's
futures, yeah, it is just like an agreement, right? For example, if you think chicken price will go up,
okay,
right?
okay.
Let us say you are owner for KFC or you are owner for McD.
Mm.
Then you are talking to somebody who has a poultry farm with thousands of hens, and you are telling that, okay, I want to buy. You are buying a contract. Whatever is the price of chicken at this point, so December or March expiry or June expiry,
Okay, okay.
I'll pay you this much price.
Okay.
He may thinking that price may go down. He is accepting. Okay, I will accept your agreement. And then, so that's you are buying a futures contract. If you think the GC gold will go up, you are buying the gold. If you think silver will go up, crude oil will go up, you will buy. Or if you think it will go down, you are shorting it.
Okay. Future of any one commodity or the market,
Right.
whole market,
Yeah,
technology. Okay. Okay.
indices or whole market. So it is once you get the taste of futures, you won't like stocks because stocks you feel like very slow. You won't you don't have any return of investment or something. But yeah,
I think for my age, I need slow.
right. Yeah, but still, yeah. Once you see and once you understand, if we follow rules, then there is a lot of money with futures also. Yeah, but yeah. So again, I hope that's clear, right?
Yeah, I got it, Kishore. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Okay, make sure you take
Yeah.
bear calls tomorrow. I'll give you some bear calls and we'll make 100% on them tomorrow. Okay.
Perfect.
So,
I'll stay with you.
Kishore, when you are doing that SPX, like you are buying a huge quantity, right? Is there some kind of indication you can give? Like we don't know, right? If we were like how confident, like
Again, right? Your quantity should be based on your size.
okay.
Right? If I say
So
that I am buying 500 and you have a 30K account, you buy 20 or 50 or 100. And I am not telling I'll give you 100% success. I may give 85%, 90% success.
Gotcha.
If that only trade becomes a suddenly
Right.
Trump announces some good news that okay, we are doing something good for
It's
Canada.
better to stick to our quantity until we.
Right. It's always better you limit your quantity because I know even if I lose, maybe next two, three trades, I'll cover it back. So I have confidence. I have 90% confidence on that, but it's not 100% confident. But whenever I feel confident, I told everybody, don't let it expire. I told that the price will stay between these two zones. So we will make money on both the sides. Just let it expire, right? Even before half an hour, 40 minutes. I told that we have big buy order block, big sell order block.
But the huge moves make us so panic. That's what we need to keep away.
Right. Yeah, Satya, do you have a question?
Yes, sir, Kishore, Satya here. మేము ఫండ్ రెడీ చేసాం ఇయర్కి సో ఇయర్ ఫండ్కి we can contribute, right? Still or no?
No, మీరు contribute చేయొచ్చు కానీ you won't be part of that profit sharing option. You'll make the 2% per month option or
Oh, it's
6%.
not the 6% this one?
Yeah, you'll get that 6% for every 3 months.
Okay, but not for the 70-30, that option.
Right, because already partners invested, because we already started today, we made around 200K, yesterday made around 30K. Also, again, if somebody comes and join in between, that profit splitting will become difficult.
Right, yeah. So that's another next question I had. So if I can take this 3 months, I can go with that 6%, then next one, I can go for the
Right, yeah. Whenever
70.
we have a reset, then you can again start with the profit sharing option.
Okay. So can I go ahead and do it? So almost the funds are clear in my account. So
Yeah,
tomorrow or
yeah,
after tomorrow, I'm going to do the transfer. Is that okay, right?
sure. Yeah,
And
that's
then I
fine.
need to send you the message, or how do I
Yeah,
get a
once you transfer, yeah, you can email me or you can send me a message. So I
Mhm.
track it and I'll send you an agreement once I see the funds.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Sure.
Hmm.
Yeah, Naveen, do you have any questions?
Kishore, what are the instructions to deposit the funds? Where
I
can I
already
find?
shared multiple times in the premium channel.
Okay, I'll find. I'll access.
Yeah. Yeah, Surendra, do you have any questions? Raghu, do you have any
Yeah,
questions? Yeah.
I just wanted to check, like, this is a question regarding to that indicators. Especially this indicator, that the supply zone and demand zone. So, is it a part of that five indicator package, or is it a
Right.
separate?
It's a part of that. Even if you get 3 indicator or 5 indicator, you can choose this price pulse. Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay. So, may I know what is the package price for the five indicators one?
It's a 449, which includes trainings, live sessions.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll make that within one day.
Oh, yeah, definitely. Thank you, Kishore. That's all my question is.
Sure.
Okay,
Yeah.
so can we be part of that alerts also if we take that 449 plan? Because I do not want to miss those alerts because that's what I depend most on.
Yeah, I won't give you every alert, but I'll share few alerts here. Whenever I see any very good setup, right, you might be seeing today I gave multiple alerts in the. But yeah, not each and every, because with indicators, I want you to become independent. I want you to learn. So
Right.
indicators plan is where I teach you why we are taking trades, and then I want you to, after 1 or 2 months, you may have both, right? You
Right.
may have options, and at the end of the day, you can go, okay, why he took a bear call here, why he took a bull put. Now you have your indicators, and then after 1 2 months, you don't need the alerts channel. You can completely use the indicators and take the trades.
Right.
But yeah, I'll be posting some of the alerts, not all the alerts which you see in options channel or earnings channel like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raghu, are you there?
Yeah, Kishore. So for the reports, ADP report and stuff, like, will we be able to predict anything from these indicators or anything, or is it tough to predict?
Yeah, we can predict if you use 1 hour time frame before the report. Yeah, I'll just see tomorrow and I'll predict and share it. Generally, yeah, we can predict if you use 1 hour, if you are at a discount in 1 hour time zone before the report, then there can be a huge move up. Or if you are close to premium in 1 hour, then there can be a big drop.
Oh, okay.
Just like
So
for
can we?
earnings, we use daily. For these reports, we use hourly.
Okay, sure. Yeah, I'll wait for your message tomorrow. Thank you, Kishore.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Sandeep, any questions?
Hey, Kishore. Thanks. Good evening. So, three questions, Kishore. For the top trend, if you can enable top trend on one of this chart, the dark background red and green are pretty confusing, Kishore. Is there a way that like we can take them off, like
Yeah,
on my PC, not on like your overall this one?
yeah, you
But
can go to
see,
always you go to settings,
uh-huh.
yeah, background color. Just you can remove whatever you don't want. You can change.
Okay, but
Yeah.
what I'm not able to figure out is if I take those out, what am I missing in the like that color?
That's what I told you, right? Earlier, I told like if you get a buy signal and if the color is, so for example, you it is a support,
Uh-huh.
your color is green, you got a buy.
Uh-huh.
That is a perfect opportunity. You will easily make $200-300. Or you got a sell, background is red, it is close to a smaller resistance.
Uh-huh.
Your background is red, then you will easily make $200-300. So if your the color background color represents what is the trend in the market. If the trend is good and you get a buy signal,
My signal.
bullish, that's a good opportunity.
Okay. Yeah, I'm trying to get a good hang of this one top trend, but like in that chart is like, so I feel it's like very cluttered to look at because so many colors, so many
Yeah,
confluences.
you can always change it. Whichever you want, you can yeah, change whatever colors if you want lighter colors or anything.
Okay. And you're using regular candles only, right? Not Heikinashi, right, in this one?
Right, yeah.
Okay.
Again, for this one, you can use any one of them. But
Okay.
yeah, generally because I use price pulse and the price pulse shows fair value gaps, everything only with the normal candles. So that's why I use even for top trend also I keep this normal candles.
Normal candles. Okay. So I think yesterday you gave Etsy thing bull puts.
Right.
Yeah. You exited out of bull puts?
No, I'm still holding. Yesterday, yeah, they were in nice profits, but I thought it because there was a nice catalyst also, good upgrade, everything.
Correct.
I am still holding them.
Okay. So whatever you're holding, if you're closing it, are you indicating it somewhere, Kishore?
Yeah, every day I share that Excel sheet at the end of the day,
Oh, okay.
the option channels and
Okay.
in the US equities also I post whatever trades we took, whatever trades we are holding, everything is shared.
Okay.
Yeah, nobody reports all the gains and losses, so I share everything, whatever we took, how many made profits, how many took losses.
Yeah, I did not
Everything.
see Etsy. That's why I was like confused whether you exited and then I did not know it or
No, no.
like,
Yesterday's report we are holding. So still we are holding.
Okay.
If we close, yeah.
Okay, good. And then I in your Ninja boards, you're saying funds one, fund two, fund three.
Right.
So fund one is the one that started in January 20th, and fund two that
No,
started
no.
yesterday,
Fund
right?
one is started long back earlier, right? I told you before the war we had
Oh,
fund
that
one
one. Okay.
which went down and again it is also making nice profits. Fund two
Okay.
is what we started on January. Fund three is which we started yesterday.
Okay.
Is gold right now in RRR in the top trend?
Mm, yeah, I think yeah, if we get a sell, but your cloud is green. Your table is also very green. So yeah, it is not exactly. So your day trading is green. This is blue. This table is completely green, and you don't have a sell signal yet. Right? When you get a sell signal, you need to look for that RRR. As of now, there is no sell signal yet. Still, we got a buy here. Yeah. Any other questions? I think.
Yeah, Kishore, one last question. So this table, is there a way they can move it to the far left instead of being far right?
Yeah, you can move wherever you want. So everything you have settings,
Oh,
table
okay.
push,
Okay.
top
I
left,
think you have to
top
just
right.
play around with the settings. Okay.
That's it. Yeah, you can
Okay.
change the size.
Perfect. Thanks, Kishore.
Sure. Yeah. Hey, Chetan, do you have a question? Yeah, Chetan. Chetan, are you there? We can't hear you if you're talking.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, please go ahead.
I'm a part of your options channel, so I just had a quick question regarding the fund three that you were talking about. How does it work? How can we? I mean, can we join now? And more details about it.
Yeah, so basically, it is like a family and friends fund. So people who know me or people whom I know. So it is not right. We are not accredited by SEC or anything. So it is more like within our community fund. So
Okay.
it works. 25K is the minimum share amount. 50K is the maximum share amount by any individual or any LLC.
Mm-hmm.
So there are mainly three options. One option is you make 6% for every 3 months, guaranteed or guaranteed interest. Right? I cannot say guaranteed return, but yeah, it is like a interest you make 6% every 3 months, irrespective of whether we make profits or losses, irrespective of that. Second option is you make 12.5% for every 6 months. So instead of 3 months hold period, if you say that I want to hold it for next 6 months without touching it, then you make 12.5%. So which is approximately 25% per annum. Then the third option is where on the profits we divide 70/30. And that means at the end of 3 months, you can take back your capital plus whatever profit we make in the fund, that will be split 70% to you. So for example, 1.5 million, let us say we make 3 million. That 1.5 million will be divided between the partners based on the shares they invested.
I get you. That makes it clear.
Yeah, but yeah, that one, the option 3, we are closing it today because already we got enough partners and also we started trading from yesterday. So just to, right, we don't want someone sending amount next week and getting the same share after 2 months or 3 months.
I get you.
So,
And other than that, you were talking about trading with the paper money, or they will, I mean, in this kind of a fund, the investor's part is nothing, just investing.
this is completely passive. Yeah. Again, this is for people who cannot, right? One is who are very busy with their jobs. Second is who are not able to control their emotions. Third one is who don't want to risk their money. They can always trade using prop firms, right? In prop firms, your risk is only $20 on a 50K account. You may take a Apex account, ETF account, or something. You while you are learning, you don't want to risk your own money. You can give that to someone like me or someone who can trade confidently or using the indicators or whatever it is. So you are letting your money to grow instead, because the bank will give 0.25, 0.1% at the end of the year. Instead of that, you have a opportunity to make, right? If you invest in first option, you can make 24%. If you use second option, you can make 25% per annum. If you use third option, it can be anywhere. It can be minus 20 to 50 or 100 or 20. It can be anywhere. We don't know as of now. Today we made nearly 7 to 8% on the day two. Yesterday we made nearly 1%. But yeah, that is the goal. So for members who are busy or who are still learning, who cannot control emotions while trading, because anyway I'm watching the charts. Anyway I'm taking the trades in my prop firms. Anyway I'm taking trades in the other previous funds. So all I have to do is when I see a perfect setup, I take the trades in. I have IBKR accounts, so I just connect to 3, 4 accounts, and then I take the trades. So basically, yeah, we are able to make huge profits in all the funds.
That makes it clear. Yeah. And probably you will be starting another fund in near future or later on.
Right, yeah, every 2, 3 months, yeah, these will continue, and yeah, we may start, because again, it's all about scalability, right? It is like a win-win for everyone. If they are losing money unnecessarily with their emotions, they can make nice profits at the same time. Anyway, I'm spending time watching, hearing, educating, so I can also help them and help myself to make more money.
That makes it clear.
Kishore, can you hear me? Sachi here.
Yes, Sachi, yeah.
And the IBKR you mentioned, when you say if people have prop account and they are not able to control the emotion, how are you going to help them?
No. I mean to say, if they are right, if they are making losses on their personal account, so
Okay.
they can always, right. Everybody will have, right. Once you understand or once you get used to trading, you want to trade either with your money. So what I'm saying is, instead of using your money, if you are
Uh,
not able to control your emotions,
uh-huh.
you trade with the prop firms. You learn, you use the indicators, trade with prop firms. So your risk is minimal,
Correct.
right? Instead of losing $3,000, 4,000,
Hmm.
you may lose one account, which is $15, $20, $30, or even
Hmm.
$70, $80 if it is a take profit trader.
Hmm.
But if you lose that on your real account, you are losing $3,000, $4,000 with a bad trade.
Definitely.
And also that is opportunity cost. Same 40,000. If you give me, I may make 50, 60,000 in next 3 months to you.
Mm.
So you are
Oh,
learning, you are taking trades on a prop firm in meantime while
mm.
you are getting confidence. In that time, instead of keeping your money sitting idle in a bank,
I see.
yeah, we can help you with that
I see.
gro-
So
growing.
basically, real money is making, you are helping in the real money, and the same money you can invest in the prop firm and become familiar day by day. So there will be
Exactly.
a time when you'll be making more money in the prop firm than the money given to you.
Right. And
Right.
also, yeah, once you gain confidence in prop firms, at that time you can trade by yourself with your real money.
Right. Right. And
Right.
the only challenge I see is you are taking a lot of trades like in a day. We are not able to take all the trade. Let's say all the earnings are going on. So you are taking earnings somehow, some way. Almost all out of 10, you're getting say 7. If I take 3 and 2 are negative, 1 is positive, then I feel like depressed. So
Right. Right.
that is
That's
another
the
challenge.
that's the advantage when it is a group fund. Even if I take all 7 or 8, even if one is lost, I'll be still green.
Exactly.
So
Yeah,
that is the advantage of a have fund where we are dividing the risk and dividing the profits. So your
correct.
risk is also, even stocks get assigned, your risk is minimal, right? But
Mm,
if you have
mm,
a 25K, 30K account and suddenly stocks get assigned, you are completely, your account is, you cannot do
locked.
anything else.
Mm.
Yeah.
And
So yeah,
is there any way, let's say I have IB Care account, and is there any way we can replicate remember first we tried 3 years back, is that still
right.
on or not?
Yeah, we always have those technical issues. So
Uh,
initially that was my plan where when I take trades, it can go to all other accounts, but we always have some technical challenges because you will have my IBK or your IBK or C2
yeah.
or some other.
Uh,
So if anything goes wrong, if I take a trade, I close a trade, but it won't close on your side. Or I
mm,
take a trade and it will put a limit order, and if the limit order doesn't get filled, it will suddenly convert it to a market order and
market.
fill it whatever price at that
I
point. So
remember, yeah.
yeah, there are always technical challenges or
Uh,
some issues. So that's where one is I'm trying to teach everyone
uh,
how to take trades so everybody can become systematic, become profitable. Second way
uh,
is I'm also doing this fun type of things where you can yeah, confidently, somebody whom every day you're talking, every day
uh,
you are seeing the trades, every day you're seeing how we are making in earnings, how we
uh,
are making with SPX. So it is
uh.
a win-win for everyone.
And regarding the earning, I have a question. Maybe it is will benefit to other. Now the earning season is going on. Now it is makes sense to do earning play. But after earning play is done after 1 month or 15 days,
Earnings will
I
always continue. It is like a 3 month phase, and it will continue every 3 months, right? Again, this season will end. Again, for Q1 they will start reporting, right? Now they are
mm,
reporting for Q4.
mm.
This entire 3 months, there are nearly 5,000 companies. Every day, 20, 30 companies will report for 3 months.
Okay, okay. So the earning story will continue, but the big guys will be done, but small companies will still be there, and we still have
Yeah,
opportunity every other week.
every day we'll have,
Every
right?
day we have.
Yeah, because there are a lot of large cap companies,
Mm.
mid cap companies. So every day
Uh-huh.
you will have multiple opportunities. Maybe
I
there
see.
might be some 3, 4 days where you may have a break, but again the banks will start again.
Mm.
Right? Your Wells Fargo, your JP Morgan, all those
Mm-hmm.
start again. Meta again, Netflix again, Tesla again. So the cycle continues.
Right.
Yeah, it is not like a yearly once process or something.
So the main bottom line is we give money to the fund, then fund is doing the trading and 70/30. And, but if we are doing this, let's say for a month, if you see that things are going good and if you can enable the fund one more time, maybe we'll be accumulating fund to get involved. That would be helpful. Let's see how that goes now.
Yeah, actually, yeah, we start right. I plan to start only one, but the first one already made over 22% within 2 weeks. So that's
Mm,
where everybody requested. So I started the second one. I was
mm,
not planning to start the second one,
mm,
but yeah, because initially when I started, everybody thought, right, everybody were in a or they needed more time to settle their
mm.
funds or all those things. So yeah, definitely, right. If we continue to do well, we can always, because for me anyway, right, it is like prop firm trading.
Yeah, yeah.
If you are If you're doing an Apex at the same time, you can make money with Tradify. You can make in the same way. If I am anyway watching the charts,
Yeah,
I can, instead of taking in one account, I take the same trade in 3 accounts or
right.
4
You can
accounts.
use the replicant in that time also.
Right, yeah.
Okay. Now, if you sooner opening another fund, maybe like many people those who missed it the first chance, including me, will try to get in.
Right. Yeah,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
sure. Yeah,
So when
thanks.
are you going to start next fund, Kishore?
Yeah, but let me first. I have to send contracts for this second fund, right? We have lot of because the first fund is going very good. This fund got lot of members, and yeah, everybody is sending their money. So maybe, right? I'll see for 2-3 weeks. After that, I may somewhere from March 15th or like March
Yeah,
1st or
this
something.
time give some time. Okay, last time we gave like 2 days,
No,
two
no,
weekend days.
yeah, yeah, sure. Definitely, most probably somewhere from March 15th or something.
Okay, guys, good, nice, very nice discussion. And actually, I really learned so much today with these indicators. Though I've been watching for a couple days, but today is the best day. Thank you. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Yeah, there is a lot of money to be made, and there is no competition in trading. So let's all make it together.
Oh, and actually, one question I want to ask: Do you guys offer this in India too? Can this be used in India too? Right?
Yeah. This is right. Irrespective of instrument type, country, you
Right.
can use it for currencies, commodities, India stocks, India futures.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I have a
Yeah.
couple of kids in India. They're not
Yeah.
studying.
Especially
Probably I
right.
want them to use this. Yeah.
Right. Yeah. They don't need to do any jobs. If they
Right.
just
Yeah.
learn it for 2-3 months, practice it. Don't
Right.
worry about any jobs or any. They can make 10
Yeah.
times more than what a job will give them.
Yeah. They're not going to get any job anyways. Probably I'll fund them and then probably I'll have them do it.
Right. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Yeah. Even for your kids also, everyone, we
Yeah.
don't need to right, make them employees like us. We didn't have all
Right.
this, but yeah, now you can make them entrepreneurs. You can make them right if they are interested. If they are not interested, don't force
Yeah.
them. But if they are interested, this is best way. If they follow systematic rule-based trading, they can make thousands
Yeah.
of dollars sitting at home.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll prove it again, right? Every day, right? Already earnings you are
Yeah.
seeing 85, 90%. Again with SPX, we'll make another 100, 200K tomorrow. Yeah.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay, well, good night
Yeah.
and talk to you.
Good night, everybody. Thank you. Thanks for your time,
Good
Kishore.
night,
Bye.
Kishore.
Bye.
Hey, Kishore.
Yeah.
Hey, well, this is Sayed. I just want to be the last person once everybody's done. So
Yeah,
when
that's
everybody's
great.
leave, so yeah.
Yeah, good side. Yeah, you can go outside, no problem.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no. Just want to make sure that there's nobody active right now because I just want to discuss something with one-on-one with you with my situation and wanted to
If it's
see if I
something
have to.
personal, then maybe you
Yeah.
call me tomorrow.
Hmm. Yeah, it,
I'll,
it is a little bit personal. So then that's why I just don't want everybody's time to spend on this one. I just want to have one-on-one conversation, like 10 minutes or 15 minutes of your time,
so can you
so I
call
can.
me tomorrow evening around 4 p.m. like that? I'll give you my number.
Yes, absolutely. If you can message me, that would be great.
Sure, I'll message you. You can call me tomorrow evening around 4.
Around 4, perfect. I will do that.
4 Central, yeah.
Yep. I'm in Texas too. Yep. Good.
Okay.
Thank you, Kishore.
Sure, no problem.